Alright, yo, I'm back. Alright, clear this. Good little intro there. Little intro there. Not bad. Um, what's up, guys? Good morning. I'm actually looking at GJ Advisor. As we speak, actually. Why is my monitor so low? Hold on. Okay, so who's in there? Cool. Alright, yeah, guys, I'm looking for GJ Advisor. Today I'm looking at buys for a day, right? Because I did mention earlier in the week. Let me actually record this. I did mention how the weekly candle, we don't know if it's gonna go bullish yet, right? Yesterday, because it wasn't bullish, it was bearish. But today, this candle right here is flipping bullish. It rejected a very logical support area. Why is it logical? Why, you may ask? Because look left, you have this level right here. Resistance, rejection, support, resistance, right? So, very logical area where price can reject, right? So now that it's actually rejecting, in a small time frame showing us bullish momentum, we have a very high chance of price going up. Look on the daily time frame. We rejected off of this support. So if we're rejecting off of that support, where are we gonna go? We're gonna come tap this range here at 139, 750. I'll say. So if we're, because this is now we're making a new range now. We're making support to go up to tap the resistance, which is making us a range. So now you can call this a range. So if we're rejecting off support and we're closing bullish on a smaller time frame, what does that mean? That means that we are heading up to retest the highs here. So your target is going to be 139.750 for a day. Or to be safe, I'll stay over here around these levels. That's the daily. Yeah, so pretty much, hold on, you have, yeah, that seems right. You have these levels that we rejected off of. And if these levels get respected, very high chance today, once you break above these levels right here, looking left, these small resistance here, very high chance we continue to go up to the resistance, which is around these levels here. So I'll say these levels, right? Because look left, you have these candles right here. This is what you're looking towards. Boom, those pushes. So yeah, I think. Actually, yeah. So once I think I can wait for maybe the next 15-minute candle to close or this candle to close bullish, and I'll look for buys because we're very bullish. Good morning, let's go. Let's get it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that little lit intro there. Let me put some music on. Kinda dead. There we go. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed a little analysis, there you have it. I did a breakdown, of pretty much a clear chart, now a full breakdown analysis using the weekly. See how I use all the time frames? Yeah, I used the weekly time frame. I didn't use the day time frame. I didn't use a 4-hour time frame. I didn't use a 1-hour time frame. And then I used a 30-minute. Right? I use like every single time frame pretty much. I also use a 15-minute time frame too. I'm looking for entries now in 8 minutes. So above here would be nice buys. So that's all you gotta wait for, guys. That's all you gotta wait for. I don't like where I drew the support though. The support's kind of throwing me off. So let me just delete this. Let me actually create one right here. Yeah, there. Legit. Seems legit. Seems legit. Yep. Seems legit. Look at where we're tapping. Tapping, tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Broke above it. Boom. Flies up. So yeah, you can catch a nice potential like 33 pip range here today. So not bad. Why'd you wait for the 15 minute look for entry? I'm not gonna enter on this candle. It's just that like if I enter on this candle, my stop's gonna have to be 22 pips because it has to be below the previous hour low. But if the first 15-minute candle was closing bullish, that just tells that that's the new hourly low of the current candle, right? So price shouldn't break this low if it wants to drive up. But this kind of has to close bullish here, and I want it to close maybe above like 139, 160. Above there will be pretty solid for buys. Yeah, and also you have an advantage. You have an advantage here too. Because take buys once it closes bullish here. You can put stops entry, close half, you're at 10 pips. Look left, there's traffic right there. Yeah, that you have this range here to your profits, close half, you know, move stops entry at. And the rest is just a runner because it's TP. But until we close bullish here, there's no entries for me. But also, another thing is that price shouldn't break the lows here if it wants to drive up. It shouldn't break the previous 1 hour low here. So, keep an eye on this candle. This is a very crucial candle here. This candle did leave a small wick, not that big of a wick, so let's see. Where we are at resistance here, right? So this would make sense if you just come down a little bit, maybe to like the support. That would be fine as well. You just gotta wait for it. If you come down to like the support down here, look left. Where's the next logical support area? Right here, right? So you draw a line across, like that. That's your support. So very high chance if you do come down and reject this area, we could potentially come down to this level. And when price goes down to this level, this is your logical area, right? Price is still bullish. Price didn't break the 1 hour lows yet. You can wait for maybe a 15-minute candle closure or a 30-minute candle closure or whatever candle closure bullish at the support, and then you can buy it back up. If you guys know what I mean, then this is what I mean right here. So this candle can close on bearish, whatever. Next candle goes on bearish, cool. Taps the support level, right? That's the logical support level. And what happens next? You get a bullish candle closure, like so. You can probably pop back up. And then pop back up. And then pop back up. And then pop back up. Oh, this is what you're looking for. This is your main focus today. Man, guys, if you guys got into gold yesterday, bro, Jesus. Gold, guys, broke down the streams, you know, where is it? Man, here's a clip. All you had to do is follow the clip, guys. Broke gold down from, I think, 1950 all the way up to expecting 60.30 today. So if you guys missed yesterday's stream, I'll break it down again. You know, we tapped the target already, so this is not a target, but I'll break it down again for you guys that missed it. So look at gold. So it was like around these levels. Actually, no, it was around these levels. It was around these levels. You had this, right? So look left. All that is. Look left here. You have this huge bullish move up. Price is still bullish. It's not bearish. I did call sells down to the support. But that's all I called it down to. I didn't call it down to. And actually, I called it down to the support, actually. 1900, I think. Yeah, 1900. And that's all I called it down to. It was a very strong support area, too, because look what happened. Price rejected, closed bullish, right? So if you had this move down, breaking these lows, you know, it's going to obviously come down to the support. But this is your next support level. Look left. For left, I can't agree go back right now, but if you do go left, you'll see some support. This is your next logical support area. So doesn't mean that we're gonna reject off of it like 100%. It just means that this is a logical area where price could reject off of. So I'm not gonna put a buy limit here because I want a wick entry to go back up to like whatever target I want, right? I'm gonna wait for a candle to close bullish. So once this candle closes bullish, okay, this is a day time frame, right? So you can enter on this candle, sure, but your stop's gonna have to be like 500 pips. Like I don't know if you want a 500 pip stop loss. So what you do after is you wait on a smaller time frame, maybe using like the 30-minute, 15-minute. That's where you look for entries at, right? But yeah, so you could enter here, or you could wait until this day candle closes. Because this candle closed very weak bullish. It was a closed bullish, but it was a very weak candle bullish, right? So now you can wait for this candle to close bullish. So once this candle closes bullish right here, where did it close? It closed back in the range. Look left. Where's your range? Your range is this. This is your range. Support. Oh my god, this is kind of messy. Hold on. This is your range right here. You have this support, you have this resistance. So if price is coming back into range, where do you have traffic at? You don't have traffic. Look what happened here. Bada bing, bada boom. That's your candle right there. That's where this is your bread and butter. The exact words I use yesterday, bread and butter. So your price is coming back in this range because this is a range. Range meaning what's a range? You have a resistance, you have a support. So prices are pretty much breaking the support, which is now resistance, coming back. Where's it gonna go after it breaks resistance? It has nowhere else to go but the next resistance. Where's the next resistance? Look left, you have this right here. That's your next resistance. And what do you have in between all of that? You have one clean, perfect traffic candle. So if price is giant back up to the range, it has a very, very high chance of filling the range here. So what I do after? I waited for I should just play it. Price just filled the range. Okay, so yeah, price closed bearish, right? So this is I think this is Friday. No, this is the 4th. Yeah, this is Friday, right? So yeah, it was yesterday actually. So it was actually over here. Right there, boom. Price broke these highs. I mentioned yesterday in the stream. When price breaks 1963, very high chance we're gonna go up. Because now what it's doing is price made a resistance here, boom, and closed bearish, meaning that we could potentially reject off this level, right? But if price broke the lows, sure. But wait, price is coming back up to break the highs of that bearish candle. What that means is we're breaking structure now. So now we see how all this plays out. We're gonna come back up to the range, and boom, what do? We came up to the range. We filled it. My target was 1974. After I said that if 1974 breaks, because like we don't know that it's gonna come to the next target's up here at 2030, but we don't know that it's gonna come to there yet. No one knows that. What we do know is that we know that we're gonna tap 1973. So you don't need to worry about all of this yet. This is just whatever. But once price actually comes up and fills the range here, now you can worry about this. Okay, maybe we can go nice. We can go to 2030 now. You know, we can go to 2030 now. Why? Look left. Clean traffic. Same story down here. Clean traffic. This is just a bigger range now. Boom. What happens to this daily candle closure now? This daily candle closure closed above this resistance. Above 1975. So what do you do after? There you go. This is today's candle. Broke above, pushed up. So now we're headed towards 2030, 2029ish, like around these levels, 2020, 2030. I'll say like right there, right there. And yeah, that's your next target for your gold, and that's all that gold was. That's all that I did. Going on smaller time frame, you could have had entries yesterday during the New York session, but now what you gotta do is you gotta understand. Because people were trading gold yesterday during Asian and London, and not London, Asian and just like late New York yesterday. And like, cool, it worked, you know, yesterday because maybe it was very volatile, a lot of volume coming in. But man, of all the sessions throughout the day, what session do you think was gonna impact gold most? The New York session. That's when the most volume comes in. So now that we're heading towards the New York session in the next hour or so, very high chance we tap this target within the stream here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we tap this. Now if you look for buys on a smaller time frame, all you gotta do is wait for maybe buys above these levels right here. This is resistance level. Above there, you take buys at, coming up to the next target, right? There, up there, because we create a type of range here, a small range. Support, resistance. Once you break above there, look left. There shouldn't be traffic coming up to at least like these levels. 2018, 2017. This is a 15-minute time frame, right? So it has more traffic. But if you're going like the 30-minute or the 1 hour, it should be more clean traffic. Or 4 hour, should be clean traffic to that target. And see how this 4 hour candle right here. This is your 4 hour candle that you're looking at. This 4 hour candle here, clean traffic. Expect the same thing. Tap on the other side like that. So yeah, that's gold. You guys see how it's so simple though? You don't need much, man. I'm telling you. All you need is a box and a yellow line or a line. But yeah, looking at GJ, see how GJ I just mentioned earlier, we're coming down to top. We closed bearish here first of all, right? So there's no bias. Bias would be once you break above level. So the next candle what I did was it came down as well. And remember I said the next larger area is down here at the support. That's where we're heading right now. So let's see. If we show some rejection here and we close bullish here, somewhere below these levels, we have a very high chance of coming back up. Retest highs. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed those analysis today. Leave a like. You know what's crazy? Imagine I was on mute the whole time. Oh my god. Okay, there's news today. No, there's no news. Nah, it's usually a very easy day. No, nothing to worry about today. Just straight technical analysis today, unless something unexpectedly happens, but I doubt it. You use EMAs, fibs, etc. No, all I use is a gray box and a yellow line. So I use. Let me send a link to someone real quick. Where's my Zoom? Who else do I want to send to? Get up, chat. What up, bros? What up, Taj? What up, Sharif? What up, Sean? What up, Eddie? So what's up?
Hey, what's up, man?
What up? What up? Yes, right. So right now, guys, we're just gonna wait for bullish channel closure. Did my analysis, broke it down earlier, so now it's all about being patient. Patient. Looks like gold's gonna break the highs there. Hey
Hello,
yo,
hello.
what's up, bro?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Surprise guest here.
Man, what an amazing day to be trading.
You traded last night?
No, I still have the runner from gold from yesterday.
Yeah, you don't need to trade anymore, bro. That's it for the week. 200
Man,
pips. How many pips is that? That's like
man, it's
700 pips. Yeah, holy shit.
But it's a runner, you know, 0.01. But
That's
still,
fine.
man.
That's fine.
Yeah, I've been trading stopping. Let's see how it goes.
Just imagine 700 pips, guys. 0.01. About what was that? 70 bucks? 70 bucks? That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's 70 bucks, right?
Yeah,
0.01 70 bucks. You have 0.10 700. You have 1.0 7k 7,000. You have 70 lot, which is 70,000. Like the list goes on and on. Oh man. Wait, no, 7 lot would be yeah 7k, yeah 70,000 70 lot, yeah. Yeah, man, that's a lot of pips, bro.
It is a lot of pips, man. I've been trading stopping now, moving my stop upwards, and then I have my target on 2022. If it goes there, it goes. If it doesn't, it hit my stop. I'll be fine. I'll be very happy then. Anyway,
Yeah.
you're looking for buys on GJ?
Above this resistance though.
Yeah.
139, 144, above there. Let me actually put this so.
GJ.
Looking clean above there. Very clean. Man, guys, you know, today this morning I treated myself. You know, like I went to get a egg McMuffin and I got coffee. I didn't make it home. You know, if I treat myself, that's what I do. My Forex profits. I go get a coffee. Had a 10 pip move yesterday. That's all I got. 8.0 lot.
But you didn't enter the gold call?
No, I didn't.
Wow.
Gotta stick to the plan, man. Can't be entering. Oh man. Yeah, this is gonna be a clean move today in GJ if it goes up. Don't get me wrong, daily is still kind of bearish. But like, this is a very logical area where price can reject. I'm not saying like we're gonna go up today. I'm just gonna say I will take buys above these levels. Above here. Because once you break this, yo, leak,
Yo,
what up?
Dawn.
Your mic's a little echoey. Yo, AirPods in?
My fault, hold on.
Yeah, so pretty much, once you break above these levels, you have nowhere else to go later, but just this resistance over here. Right? And the price is breaking this resistance. I think this is the day high. 139,477. Is it the day high yesterday? No, not yet. But it will come somewhat near. Yeah, then once we break above this, yeah, I think this is the day high. Once you break above this, and then you can start looking for more buys later on throughout the day, right? So what I'm thinking is, if this is a bullish day today, if he expect gonna go up today, we can probably tap these levels before like 9-ish, and then after 9, range for a little bit, 10, 11, 12, we go up further up throughout the day. But let's see what happens here. But yeah, see how I'm not really like answering buy limits here, buys here because it's at the support, and like, you know, I'm gonna wait until price breaks above these levels here, or a bullish candle closure, because this candle's bearish right now. There's no bias. This candle can go down here for all we know, because this is just a logical support. This is not like a 100% support where price is gonna reject. Like, no one knows if it's gonna reject 100% off of it, right? So that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna wait for a closure in my favor. Hi Don, bro. What's up, bro? What's up, G? What up, bro? Been on Aussie for a couple days. You think the CP got a train stop? Sure, check it out. I hope it's a label chart, bro. I really hope you send me a label chart here. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Like, pretty labeled. So just get out the trade, bro. That's all I'm gonna say to you. Like, you got in down here, your stops were down there, or you got another entry down here. We're tapping this resistance. This is your logical support. I mean, logical resistance. So why don't you just take profit here and just call it a day? I mean, hey, if you want to look, like, if you're expecting the whole, what pair is this? AUD USD. Let's check this out. Let's check AUD USD out. So AUD USD. What time frame is this? This is a 4-hour time frame. So cool. You're at this resistance level. Why don't you just like close half here? Or something at this resistance. This is a logical area where price could reject off of. Look at it. Day time frame resistance, right? I'll say that, okay, if we break above here. Why? If we break above these levels, yeah, we can go up to like these levels. But let's understand, for that to happen, we may not just push straight up. Like, although this kind of looks bullish, it may not just go like, you know. What it could do is it can maybe come down to create a range to go up later on. What I mean by that is maybe it can come down to the next logical support. It can come down to maybe here. Because that's what price always does, you know. Before it goes up or down, it always makes a range, right? So price could just come down to this support down here. Close bearish, maybe come down to this support. And then from here, let's try this for support. Price can just reject it to go back up, retest the highs, like this. And you have something like this. After boom, then we'll probably go up, right? But like, if you got in down here, bro, just get off the trade. Yeah, you at this resistance level. That's like 100 pips, bro. Just get off the trade. Like, if I were to call targets for a day on AUD USD and it was down here, I'll say this resistance. That's it. I'll be out the trade. But you gotta get used to closing profits. You know, it doesn't matter how much profit you're in. It doesn't matter if you're up by $1 or $1,000 or $5 million. You gotta understand when to close profits. And you know, as many pips are you up right now, I know what's going on in your head. You're probably saying, "Fuck, man, I want to hold it. I want to go to the next resistance. I want to catch more pips here." But like, if you're gonna keep doing that, you're never gonna be able to close a trade. So it's like you're gonna lose money at the end of the day. Because then it'll hit your entry or hit your stops or you know whatever. Like just close it out. Max out your profits, bro. 0.0 wants to trail in. I mean, hey, bro, you can do whatever you want to do. But I'm just saying, like, this is a very heavy resistance there. Jason Kerr, I took the trade today. Looking like a sell in Juche. Yeah, I'll say sells once if you break below like 139, 0.26. Because I was expecting Juche to come down to the support, right? I said that earlier. I was expecting it to come down to the support anyways. Now the question is it gonna break the support? Because if it breaks the support, it's gonna come down further. Because for us to go up, this support had to be held there. Let me try this chart out though. You got buys in earlier. Nice. Yeah. Good trade.
Yeah, let's see how the RA closes within 2 minutes. If he closes back in the range, that's not good for buys.
Yeah, because I already closed in 2 minutes here, right? If it's already closed rejecting this level here, man, we're probably gonna pop back down to this. That's to retest the support down here. So let's see. I'm gonna wait for sells below here, because obviously we're gonna miss these sells here unless we actually close like kind of I'm saying maybe a wick fill. Let's see, we have a minute left. You guys, this is why you wait for candle closures, man. I never enter off of just a wick, just anticipating the next rejection. I never do that. I wait for candles to close here. See, if you enter a buy here, we got stopped out. Candle's still bearish. So think of it. Think of your odds. Wait for a candle to close versus when you don't. Like this is your next logical support area, and an area where price could reject off of, right? But it has to close bullish there to reject off of it. Thing about this is that we're breaking out 1 hour lows right now, so we could potentially close below these levels here. Then once we close below these levels here, I'm probably gonna wait for like the 15-minute candle closure, the first 15-minute candle closure of the next hourly candle to see how it closes here. Yeah. Oh damn! Earlier when I said I was gonna wait for the first 15-minute candle to close, I was waiting for the new hourly. I just realized that that was a 45-minute candle. That wasn't the new 1 hour candle. My bad if I confused you guys earlier, but yeah. So look, we're breaking below this kind of right here. Breaking below all these levels here. That's these levels here. So what we're entering right now, see how this candle closed below this support here? Now we're gonna pop down to this support and then these supports. So once you break below these supports, it's the same thing over again. You have this range over here, you have the same range over here. We're gonna pop down to this range, and this is where you try and catch her. Just clean traffic move up. There. That'll be your move. If you try and catch something here. And it's like a nice 10-pip move-ish. Let's see. Should be a good day. Looks like a lot of bombs kicking in. So it's below there. But like guys, if hold on. If GG like wants to drive up, what could happen? I'm not saying this is gonna happen, but what could happen is if you do come back into range here like this, like let's say let's say GJ finds its support down here, right, and it closes bullish here somewhere. If you close bullish of support, we have a very high chance of coming back up. And where we're gonna go, you have this clean traffic count now, cause so like you have this clean traffic count here, so we have a very high chance of coming back up the range, right? So another thing is like whenever you guys see like a huge move, like say you see sell and you missed it, don't worry about it, because if price decides to go back up later on in the future, you can use this as an advantage as a clean traffic count to go back up later on. You actually never miss a move because it's gonna go on and on forever. Think about it. Let's say gold drops today. Let's say, for example, let's say this happens on gold. Let's say this move happened. You missed the buys. Cool. Use this as clean traffic count to go down in the future. Boom. Right there. Boom. Sells come down. Now you miss the sells. Cool. Catch the buys later on. Boom. Miss the buys. Catch the sells later on. It's just this is a repeat over and over again, right? You just gotta figure out where and how it's gonna happen. That's all that is. That's how simple trading is. On my trading view it says 94 pips, but I only got $7 on my MP5. You know why? What happens? Yeah, your spread was probably, if you're using a 0.01. Wait, 94 pips? Yeah, if you're using a 0.01, I'm guessing spreads and commission. Probably. Or yeah, spreads and commissions. I don't know. Probably. I'm not sure. I'm not your broker, bro. But that's what I'm thinking. It could be. What I think. Or maybe you got a late entry or something. You may miss or maybe the prices were off on your trading view or something. Try a different trading view chart. Put up here. Guys, 90 viewers. Appreciate all the love. Hope you guys enjoyed more stream.
Seriously, you just described how I used to trade. Ups and downs, you know, scalping, and then oh Jesus, man, it will be so tiring.
Oh, just over trading.
Calling tops and bottoms.
Yeah.
And now it's gonna go down, and then you switch bias. Man, this is so tiring.
Yeah, it's like all you gotta do is sit back a little bit and just visualize it. It's just like it's so like guys, like I don't use anything on my charts, man. Like all I use is a line. It's just so simple. I'm telling you guys, trading is really, really easy. Well, not easy, simple. I'm not easy. I'll take that back. 100% not easy. It's hard, but it's simple. Like. You know, like all I did was draw a rectangle here to make it easier for my eyes to visualize what clean traffic is. And that's all that is. You know, that's all I did. And that's gonna happen over here coming up. So there's no fibs bouncing off. There's no EMAs bouncing off of anything. There's no Bollinger Bands. There's no you know, what do you pivot points? Like you don't. There's none of that, man. All that is just one rectangle box drawn across. That's all it is. Hey, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. When does volume usually kick in for gold? Volume kicks in for gold at probably 8, like pre-New York to New York opening, around that time. You're basically drawing fibs in a roundabout way. Yeah, because you know what fibs are? This is a fib. This right here, you draw a fib from here to here. What you guys know what a fib is? Fibs is just support and resistance. But instead of relying on a fib, you can rely on yourself. Because this is a fib right here. You draw a fib from here. So up here, what does it give you? A 61.8 retracement? Going back up to retest the highs? Boom. So like, yeah, instead of just answering off a fib, we can just wait for a bullish candle closure here. Boom, boom, boom. What happens is prices goes back up. Clean traffic, look left, boom, retest the highs. Clean traffic, look left, boom, retest the highs. Like, that's all it is. Fibs is just like support and resistance, guys. Like, I guarantee if I draw a fib right now, where's the fib? Where's my fib tool? Do I even have what's over here? Right here. Look. Fib. 61.8 retracement. Going back up to retest the highs here. You know, it's all that is. But I did all of that just by drawing a box in the gray line. My fib is a lie. I don't know, man. I mean, I have nothing against fibs. It's just what I'm trying to say here is just you don't need any fibs or anything for your trade or any indicators on your charts. It could just be simple. The thing is, like, the way I trade, man, it's simple, but it does take a lot more work. Cause like when you're using a fib, you're relying on something. You're relying on a number, on like a retracement. You need that retracement to buy or sell. If you're using if you're using indicators, you're relying on an indicator to bounce off the EMA or whatever to buy or sell. But when you're using this, it's just you're waiting for candle to close, and once price breaks a certain point, you know it's gonna go to the next resistance. So you take buys in that range. That's what that is. Hey guys, you know what the crazy part is? This works on every time frame, man. Reading candles, drawing support and resistance. It works on every single time frame. Like the way I analyzed gold yesterday on day time frame is the way I analyzed gold in 15-minute time frame. This is the exact same move. Yeah. 15's about to close in 5 minutes, guys. So let's see what happens here. About to hit 600 followers on Instagram. Let's get it. Great shout out, love, guys. If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like. Haven't answered any trades yet. Yo, Leak, you can unmute your mic, bro. Just make sure it's not loud. The background. Okay, let's see. What's happened here in the last 5 minutes? So we wait. We be patient here. I'm gonna put this buys above here, down here. Actually, I'll put here. Buys above here.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the
Yeah, I think yesterday I took on the streams we just took a 4-pip loss.
Yo, Don.
Yo, what's up?
It's good.
What's up, bro?
My AirPods just charged.
What's up?
I said my AirPods just charged.
Oh.
I had my whole AC on.
Oh no, it was just echoing earlier. It's fine now though. It's good.
I bet.
Matt, we'll play some words later.
For a fact. You didn't expect me to hop on the stream, right?
No, not at all, bro. You usually like sleep. Did you need to sleep?
Nah, I took a nap, that's why. So I'm not really tired.
Bro, it's gonna hit you soon. It's gonna hit you very soon.
That's why I got coffee, man.
I got coffee too today. I got a regular coffee today. No double, nothing. Just a regular coffee. Next up, black coffee. Just straight up coffee. No sugar, no milk, nothing.
You trying to be wake.
Honestly, bro, it's like progress. You start with like the triple coffee. That's how I started with triple coffee, like the sugar fiend coffee, and I got down to like the double, and then I'm like, you know what? I like the way coffee tastes. I'm just trying no sugar, like barely any sugar. So I did regular coffee. Now, next up, I think I want to do black coffee. But it takes time, It's like trading, guys. You can't just go from you know, catch a 0.10 to like 10.0. You gotta take it slow. Oh yeah, wait till you're comfortable. And by waiting till you're comfortable doesn't just mean you're doing it because you want to do it, you know. You have to feel comfortable, bro. If you're entering a 10.0 line and you're showing your pants, man, you shouldn't be entering a 10.0 line. Alright, let's see. GBP/USD 4-hour time frame. What do you have here? You have buys here. I mean, hey, bro. I mentioned this before. If you send me a chart, guys, make sure you send me a label chart 1 or 2. If you just send me a chart, just show me that you took a trade. It doesn't really, won't really help anyone here. Like, if you're taking a trade, send me a chart before you took the trade. That would impress me a lot more. Or if you're asking a question, like, why did I take this loss here, or why did I do this here? You know, that'd be better. But if you send me a chart like this, man, what am I gonna do with this? I mean, I can tell you that's a nice chart, but like, hey, what's that gonna do for you? Boost your confidence? Ain't gonna do shit for you.
$15 look like it's closing bullish.
Yep. I don't want to close. I think I'm gonna take buys once it breaks above here. Be safe. Because this, if everything closes bullish here, it just confirmed me that okay, maybe we could be pushing back up here. Once you actually push up and break into this range, okay, now we're gonna have to. I'm looking for buys. Because now like this is structure 1.0 pretty much, and it's structure 2.0. Because the first structure, when it first rejects off of it, it's like the unsure structure. It's like, okay, it's rejecting off of it, it could go up. But once it actually breaks the structure, that's like structure 2. Okay, now we're actually gonna go up to further range. And structure 3 will be above it. Rise above it, boom, and go further up. There's like 3 structures to it. That's how I'll look at it. Man, that egg McMuffin is getting to me, man. Not gonna lie. Oh man. Oh man, people just love a troll, bro. Charts are nowhere near, my friend. Charts are nowhere near, my friend. Love to waste your time, man. Man, when people like just come in just to throw, to stay shit, they're not really trying to trade. They're just wasting their time. They're too focused on other things instead of trading. Like, come on, bro. Focus on your trading, man. People love to talk. GJ at last with down candle shouldn't go below that. Let's see. It closed like doji bearish here, so like this candle right here, if it wants to like, it's for me. I'll say it's like kind of like an unsure candle. It's like a doji candle. So like doji candle means that like when it opened and closed where it opened, right? So we're pretty much it opened and it closed. Like nothing happened to that candle. So it's not really like a confirmation candle from here. And then sure, we have a nice wick rejecting off this level on a 5-minute time frame. Sure, this is bullish candles here. I'm guessing because this is a wick, right? So obviously it's a bullish candle. So let's see. Yeah, 5 minute. Yep, bullish here. But I think be safe. I'm gonna wait for buys above here. Cause this 1 hour
5 minute
candle. This
high.
what's up? What happened?
Yeah, broke the 5
Oh
minute
yeah,
high.
5 minute high just broke. Yeah. Yeah. So a little confirmation we can go up here for the range. The 1 hour time frame kind of still bearish here, but hey, this level could reject to go up. This is a very, 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 very high potential chance where price could just reject off this level to go up. So, which means that once price gets in this range, man, stronger confirmation to go further up for the range. And then you can leave a runner coming back up, boom. Because now this would be a fake out. Why would this move be a fake out? You have this huge move, boom. Hey, hold on. Guys, does this look familiar to you guys? Let me know in chat. Does this look familiar? It's just a trade that we took yesterday, or that I gave you guys yesterday, analysis. Does this look familiar? Hold on, I'm gonna make it more clear. Let me just block all of this out. Actually here, let me just highlight this yellow. Does this look familiar? Just in this box, what does that look like? Comment chat, you guys know this. You guys, I just broke it down earlier today in the streams as well. You guys know this. What does this look familiar to? No one's gonna answer? No one knows? Ah, gold. Yes, there we go. There are the answers. Yeah, gold. Look at it. Let me go back on this. Yeah, if you look at gold, what is this right here? What is this over here? Boom. Resistance. Support. Clean traffic candle. Range. Okay, cool. Go back on this. Resistance. Support. Clear traffic candle. Range. We do the same things every day, guys. The same things every day. Right? Yeah, you just gotta look for it. You just gotta figure it out. That's how that is. It's very simple though. So what do you guys think is gonna happen today? If this happened on gold yesterday, on day, this is a daytime frame though, right? So this is stronger. But if this is what happened yesterday on gold, what do you think is gonna happen today? Right? So I'm still not gonna take buys just yet. Wait, where is it? What time frame is it? 15 minute, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna wait because this is a 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna just wait for price to break in this range to be for me to be safe. But if you want to take buys here, you could take buys here. Coming back in the range here. But I'm gonna wait for price to break in this range here. This is where I feel comfortable taking a buy at in that range. But hey, this you know, it's all like similar, right? Yeah, see that? It's all the same. See how ring counts? See what ring counts does to you? Breaking down structure, breaking down certain areas of parts of a chart. So you don't gotta focus on all of this. This is irrelevant right now. All you gotta do is focus on this previous price levels. But trading is just that easy, guys. It's not that easy. It's that simple. I keep saying easy.
And also, if this next 30 minutes close below the back in the range, man, should be nice buys.
Yeah.
2 minutes left.
Yep. This is clean, man. Cause look, if you have like this range here, and you have a clean traffic counter here, coming back in the range, breaking above these highs, very high chance to go up here. Oh yeah, we broke the size too. I didn't realize that. We broke the size, yeah. So yeah, this is very clean for the range here. This is like a what? 7 pips? Yeah, 7 pips. How do I know? 7 pips on the dot. So yeah. Now you can use that as confirmation to buy later up here. Because if we're just rejecting off this level, we have a very high chance of breaking this to go further up. Alright, so now you just gotta wait. The 15-minute here closes in 8 minutes here, and the 30-minute closes in 8 minutes here. So I'm gonna wait for that to close. But remember how I mentioned that this is a very logical area where price to reject off of? A very logical area. I didn't say that's gonna be a level where price rejects off of. I said it's gonna be a very logical area, right? So now we're showing confirmation that maybe we are gonna go up here. maybe we did reject off that level. So wait for buys above here, guys. The thing about this is that you can take buys above here, and then you can leave a runner, go into the next target, which is up here, and then you can take more buys above here, another entry if you want. It's all about being patient here. You know what you're gonna do, right? You guys know that. You guys understand how it's gonna get there. You guys understand that the New York opens in 4 minutes here. You guys know that. So just use that to your advantage, and now you gotta do is be patient. All you gotta do, that's the hardest part, just being patient. That's it. Once price breaks that level, yes, and just now what you gotta do once price breaks that level is you gotta manage the trade, manage it to the T, close half, soft entry, and that's all you gotta do. After all that waiting for one quick trade, and that's a day. Next day, repeat, same thing over again. Break down a pair, be patient. You guys know what's gonna happen, right? Play it out, manage the trade, repeat. Next day, same thing. But you only gotta do that 1 or 2 times per day, because this takes a lot of energy. That takes a lot of energy. It's breaking down pairs like that, on higher time frames, waiting. It takes a lot of energy, drains you. So 3-4 hours max, like 2-3 hours max. 4 hours low, you can't pushing it, but after the 4th hour, you're set. Go on to the next day. Five minutes here, guys. I hope this count just pushes up. If this count doesn't push up in the range here, it can maybe the next candle, which could be better actually, because we'll have a smart stop loss. So this candle's gonna push up like this, right? If it closes like this, next candle is gonna probably go up. Boom, boom. Then your stop's gonna be enter here, stop's gonna be below here. Instead of if this candle just goes up like this, your stops have to be below here. So I'd rather just have the other scenario actually. So maybe you gotta wait another 15 minutes, but that's fine.
I'm in profit right now.
Oh, you took buys in?
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Oh, Jimmy's in here. What up, bro? I think I can find another scenario that's similar here. I think I posted one before, pretty sure. Let's see. Man, guys. Remember how early I said I treat myself today? Got myself a sausage egg muffin. Man, it's kind of getting to me, bro. Not gonna lie. I might gotta take a quick intermission. My God, take a quick intermission here. Oh man. Yeah, so remember I said earlier how guys, gold, you gotta wait for buys above here. Because this is the range, right? We never broke above it. We never closed above it, right? So there's no buys on gold just yet. It's still in a range here. You really gotta be patient. You really gotta wait. Yes, 30. My old pair that I left. US 30. What are you doing today? Oh, cool. Okay, yeah, see this right here? I can say this. Let me draw my next resistance level. Right there. Okay, look. Look at US 30. Focus on these daily candles here. Boom. 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 Those 3 daily candles. What did it do? What did all of these candles do here? I'm gonna ask chat because I feel like the more I get you guys engaged, the more the easier it's for you guys to learn. Look at all 1, 2, 3, 4. What did all those candles do? Nice wicks. I'm gonna chat. You guys noticed? Well, a lot of you guys reject the area resistance. Yeah. So all like what price did here was it just rejected this resistance level with all these wicks, right? So I guess are right. But so now. So there's no buys there, obviously, because they obviously all rejected and closed bearish, right? They all closed. Actually, the right word we're looking for is actually they all closed below this range here. They never closed above. They all rejected and closed below with a nice wick. So, what do you think is gonna happen if this candle closes within these wicks? Let's say this candle right here. Let's say today's daily candle on US 30 closes bullish within these wicks. It will now close above these wicks. These wicks mean that now we actually have a stronger confirmation stating that we could potentially pop up today, because now we have a lot more momentum, we have a lot more volume kicking in, right? Because we're actually closing within these wicks now. What's a good analogy I can use here? I can use let's say nah, I can't think of anything right now, bro. But hey, you know what I mean, right? If this candle right here closes within these wicks here, shows that there's gonna be a lot of momentum for price to drive up the next day. Because now what it means is that it's breaking. It's not breaking, but I guess it's breaking resistance pretty much, right? Because now it's showing us signs that we're actually gonna go up, right? But let's see how this daily candle closes here. We have like 2 hours left. Because if this daily candle right here closes below here, even a nice another wick, then it would just mean that okay, we're not ready to go up yet. But once we actually close, that's when we're gonna get the volume to go up. Retest this target. Oh yeah. Like here for example, let's say you have say you got it's really hard looking back in the past to look for the same exact example. A lot harder. Okay, right here for example. Let's look at this. This is the exact same scenario. Right here. What did all these candles do? They rejected it. They rejected, right? And what did this candle do? This candle right here closed above all these wicks here. Boom, boom, boom. Right? All these wicks, boom, boom, boom. All those wicks closed above it. Meaning that the next candle is gonna push up. So this wick in that range, like that. That's the exact same play that user is setting up right now. Right, so you just gotta be patient. And then what happened after? Buys all the way up. Ooh, nice. The 30-minute candle closed there. Or no, this 15-minute candle. Yeah, 30-minute candle closed there. Nice.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. So I'm gonna wait for this next 15-minute candle closer, and then boom, I'm in. Mm. Hey, cool. Um, we all know what the plan is there. We all know the plan, guys. We all broke it down, you know, everything. So we know what to do here. Now you just gotta execute. That's all that you gotta do now. The hard part is over. Now it's the easy part. Executing and managing your trade. That's next. Let's just check out for this. Step 1, 2, done. Step 3, execute. Step 4, manage trade. Step 5, done for a day. If you can go through those 5 steps within a day, do it every day. You're good to go. But if you're just waking up, you know, at 2 p.m., I know a lot of guys do this. You guys wake up at 2 p.m. and you just look for trades, full plan. Just look, oh, nice buy here. I'm gonna take a buy here. Boom. Close your phone. Don't look at it. You're scared. Check your phone later. Boom. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, you know, I lost money here, or I made money here. You know, it's just, there's no planning there. You know, you really gotta plan these things. You gotta stick to your routine. You can't switch up on your routine. Cause I remember back then, guys, when I used to wake up at like, I used to do the same. Everything I say to you guys, I've done it before. I used to wake up at like 2, 3 o'clock, try and trade like gold or something, man. And I'll trade because I seen that one time. I seen that gold moved 1,000 pips or 100 pips during like a 2 p.m. like 2, 3 p.m. Like, oh shit, that's the best time to trade gold then. So I kept thinking that, and that's why I kept waking up at 2, 3. Then I realized that's way too late, man. If you're trading gold at 2, 3 p.m., you're late to the party, my friend. You're late to the party. It's like, you know, let's say you go to the party, you know, you show up late to the party. Like, let's say you have prom or some shit. Prom. Alright, I know a lot of you guys are a little older. You guys, yeah, a lot of you guys might be older. A lot of you guys might not even go to prom, but hey, I'm just gonna use prom. That's all I can think of right now. But let's say you go to prom, right? And let's say the prom started at 7, and you got there at like 9. At 9, everyone's dancing on the floor, right? Because yeah, prom they dance at the end, and you just got there, and now you're trying to eat food. That's what it is. Oh, that's what it is when you're training GJ or gold at 2, 3 p.m. You're late. It's not gonna be the same. Sure, you might catch another friend that might show up late. How often is that gonna happen? Right? Same thing for gold. Gold move at 100 pips during 2, 3 p.m. the other day, but how often is that gonna happen? Ooh, pushing up here, guys. Pushing up here. See? So remember how I mentioned earlier how this candle low, if it would have closed above here on one candle, would have been bigger stops. But now, your stops would be like probably below this. This is the low, right? So maybe like 7 pips. See where it closes. Alright guys, hold on. Give me like BRB, let's say 3 minutes. Alright guys, 3 minutes. I'll be back. I'm gonna take a quick intermission. Back. I'm back. How long did that take? Like 3 minutes? Alright guys. What up guys? Yeah. So waiting for price to break above here. GG buyers don't feel right. The question is, they don't feel right or they don't look right? You know, what's the answer? Yeah. I'm back guys. Looking for buyers above here. This 15-minute counter here pushed up, right? But yeah, see how I'm waiting for it. You know why I didn't? The reason why I didn't take buyers here because like in this range here was because it's just like a 7-pip range, 6-pip range, 7-pip range with spreads. So it's like you know, I'm just gonna wait for a breakout above here to be safe. I'll feel more comfortable taking buys above here too. Cause look, if price pushes above here, it's gonna come up to this resistance and it has a very high chance of rejecting off of it, which it did right here, rejected off of it, right? So we're gonna need a closure above here. Cause this is a resistance here. You gotta think about it. As much as this is a buy, this is still a resistance here. So we really need a candle closure above this resistance. Close and take buys up. Three-minute shit. Hey, bro. Hey. I don't know what they put in the food this morning, bro, but damn. It don't feel right. Oh, man. Man, I need some water or something, bro. It might be the coffee I'm drinking. God damn. Yeah, but yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah, bro. I had to waste no time, bro. I just go in, my thing, get out, boom. Go back on the charts. But it took everything, you know, get in, get out. The markets, you know, get in the markets, get out the markets. They taking your shit. Just go and do your thing. Don't waste time on your phone. You know, you don't gotta sing a song there. You don't gotta do anything, man. Just go in, take it, just do what you gotta do and get out. Boom. You're done. Everything relates to trading, guys. Everything. Everything you do in life relates to trading. Everything you do. Hold on, wait. Can't wait for the low August until the end. Low about 2 in August? Man, gold, man? I don't know about that, man. Gold's been moving pretty quick, man. I don't know, man. Gold's been moving pretty quick in August. I don't know about low volatility. Might be for other pairs, yeah, but I don't know, man. Yeah, only gold's moving, yeah, I guess so. And GG's moving pretty decent too. Like I had a pretty good August so far. Pretty decent August, not bad. I haven't lost much trades in them. As much trades. I think I lost 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, forgot something like that. But 138, 9, 8, 4, 9, and I just half of my trade. So you just closed half of your trade. 849 would be down here. Oh, we caught 10 pips. Nice. Nice. You borrow nose down there. Very clean. Oh, 15-minute close there. Unfortunately, it didn't close in the range. But don't worry about it because the 30 minutes on close there within 50 minutes. Yeah, I wanted to close above here, guys. Or if it breaks, let's see. Yeah, I really need to close above here, 30 minute here. I'm willing to miss the entire trade and not entering here instead of just, you know, because if it doesn't close here and just goes up, then I'll be fine with that. I'll take buys above here. That's fine. Like I'm not gonna like fuck man, you get an entry here because then I'll miss this whole move. Like I'm not gonna take that, right? I'm fine with missing this entire move. Is kind of set to drop up here because I really need to kind of close above to be comfortable taking a trade. But hey, the good thing about this is your stops are now smaller. You're gonna have like a nice 3-pip stop if it closes like this in the range here. The 1 hour count's gonna close in 15 minutes here, so we might as well wait for it too. It's all about being patient today. 99 viewers, what up guys? What up guys? Appreciate all the love. What's up? Look, 30-minute chart, there's one wick at the bottom of this up move, like price rushed up any motion. 30-minute chart. One line, wick, bottom. I'm so confused. DJ hates BS moves, and if so, will drop. You retest? I'm confused, bro. I mean,
That's so tired on that, man.
yeah. So you think GJ hates buying, and you think it'll sell? You think it'll drop to retest because it hates BS moves? GJ's going down? Hey man. It doesn't say whatever you guys want to say. You guys can give your analysis now that yeah, feel free to send your analysis. It's just my breakdown, my trade I'm looking for. I'm looking for buys above here. I should move here. I already know what I'm looking for, and yeah, this is just my opinion. It's my opinion every day, right? I don't really judge my trades off of anyone else's, but obviously there's 1,000 opinions out there. Everyone has their own opinion on trades. If you think it's a sell, then sell it. You know, if it's a buy, then buy it. But you still don't understand. Everyone has their own perspective on things. Another point tip, guys: if I'm looking for buys right now and you're looking for sells, then don't just you don't have to like, oh fuck, I'm looking for buys, I can't sell no more. Like, you can look for sells if you want to. Like, it's just me, I'm looking for buys, right? You can just believe in whatever you want to believe in, or whatever you're looking for. If you get a chance today, could you talk a bit about trade management on trades that go against you? Like last night, you were super quick to exit at GJ as soon as the 15 low got broken. Yeah, so I was expecting price to drive. Was it sells? Yeah, I was thinking sells. I was expecting price to drive down, right? I obviously came down to TP later. It came down later on during the day. It came down further later down today to the day target. But I was like, okay, if price decides to drive down here with the New York momentum pushing in right now, price shouldn't break a high, because when New York opens up, it's just, volume kick in, boom, it should just go without breaking any highs. But if it's breaking a 15-minute high, that's like a sign for me to get out the trade. And yeah, I mean, sure, if I kept my 30-minute stop loss, I would have been fine with it. But hey, I want to do things that I would do majority of the times, right? And what I'll do in that scenario was close as it broke the 15-minute high. And I don't really, it doesn't really affect me or bother me that it came down to TP later. I just kind of ended my day there. You know? Okay, cool. We're breaking to the highs now. This is low. Yeah, I gotta wait for a 30-minute closer, guys. I really gotta wait for a closer. I really gotta wait for a closer. Because look what happened the other times. Support, rejection. This could happen on this candle here. So you don't want that to happen. You need a closure above here to go up. As good as it looks, guys, you just gotta be patient. New York's supposed to open up too. Oh, did I put my target of the day? This is my target of the day. Price decides to go bullish. Target today, if price breaks 139, 144. But yeah, trade management, guys, like the most important thing I can tell you guys is like, what would you do if this were to happen again? Like, don't look at trading as just like, oh, one trade. Like, don't think that one trade will affect like your trading style, your trading plan, like any of that. Like, think of it long term. Like, of 1,000 trades, what would you do in every scenario? Because obviously it's a probability game, right? Forex is a probability. It's about probability. If something you did today works, wouldn't you want to do it again and again and again and again? You know? But yeah, you gotta figure out what really works, like long term though. Like, let's say, like, you gotta have a sample size. I mean, like, you gotta have a huge sample size. So what I mean is that like, hey, you can't just take one trade and it works. You take it again. Like that's not what I mean. What I mean is that you take one trade, it works. Try breaking it. Try to see what you did there. Break it down. See what you did. And to try implement that to the next trade you take, and so forth. And then as you start to see it working out more, let's say it works like 80% of the time, just stick to it. That's part. Just make it your playbook. Make it part of your playbook. But just try to figure out what works for you, or try to take out what doesn't work, and only keep the things that work for you, and just throw out the things that don't work to make your training plan, your playbook, whatever it is that you're making.
That's why it's so important on journaling. I see that I became so, much better.
Yeah.
Avoid entries, because before I used to not journal, but now I take a screenshot when I empty able the charts, the same chart that I used to send to you.
Yeah. And your nice charts. Yeah, I love your charts.
Thanks. And then at the end of the week, I say, man, how I was stupid. How did I enter here? You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I have that too. Like I don't have a journal, like I don't write stuff down, but I have like a little like folder on my computer. It shows like all the years. So it shows like 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 2023, like all those years. And I have like months in every year. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July till December. And then within those months I have another folder, winning trades and losing trades. So I have folders into folders. Right? The winning trades and losing trades. After if I want to, I can put buys and sells. But and then if I want to, I can put pip counts, like another folder, pips, like a 10 pip target, 20 pip target, like stuff like that. And if I want to, I can put like a lot, like you can just like slowly break it down into more folders. But you gotta do that if you don't want to. But I mean, it's better if you don't break it down like that. It'll make yourself like much more organized. And that's how my back test, guys. I look at my losing trades. Like every month or so, every week, a couple weeks, I look at my losing trades to see what I could have done better.
Exactly.
So guys, I'm gonna change one of my playbook names, because people think I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change the name to the Pog U. If you guys know what Pog U means, I play video games, and I watch a lot of Twitch streamers that play video games. So I got it from there. So if you guys hear me say Pog U, it just means like excitement. This is what it means actually. It's like excitement, shock, and surprise. So they always say it. And yeah, that's what it means. So yeah, guys, you guys know the move I'm talking about. I'll if the move happens again, I'll explain it, and I'll tell you guys the name. But let's see what happens. All right, 4 minutes here until closure. Been on the streams for about about an hour and a half. No trade. An hour and a half. Wait for 3 30-minute candles. See how easy? See how like quick it is? There's only 3 30-minute candles within an hour and a half, and there's 4 within 2 hours. So it's not that long. So you sent me a chart of what's on my screen. Oh man, bro. Oh wait. Oh, that wick. I'm tripping. I didn't see that. My bad. I'm sorry. That wick don't look right. But my question is, okay, so if you're concerned about that wick, then why aren't you concerned about these wicks and 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 this wick 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 and this wick? Because look how far back this is. You're concerned about this wick that has nothing to do with this. Like your area of focus should be this right here. That's your area of focus. But I don't think this wick has to do with anything until price breaks below. Like those aren't the base. What is the base? I mean, hey, I don't know what the base is. Like I'll say, okay, if let's say this is your support. Boom. It's your support right here. Look left. Support. Boom. Price bounce off that support. Boom. Take bias till this resistance. Boom. Right? When price breaks below, like, let's say price comes down to like this level, then you can look like, okay, maybe this is your support level. Wait for price to break below this level. Like, let's say price decides to come down somehow. Boom. Boom. Like this. Boom. Alright, let's say it comes down. Boom. Right? Let's say it breaks below the support. Boom. Use this as, now you can use this as your support. Now you can look at this wick. Like, oh, this is your support. Close can close below that. Boom. 6 sell. Down. Boom. Waterfall. But I don't think you should be concerned about this wick down here. When price is like all the way up here. All you gotta do is look at this support down here. Because you ever have a support, a previous support. This is your previous support. And this is your previous resistance. Boom. That's your range. Price go up to fill the range. I don't know. This is what I don't know, man. I mean, hey, if you want to if you don't think this wick looks right, then you know, by all means you can do whatever you want to do. But I just like my trade style, the way I trade. I don't really. This doesn't really affect my what prices do right now. I'm not even looking at that actually. Where is that down here? 30-minute candle. Down here, yeah. See? Yeah, I have a support down here. Because I know that if price breaks this low, if price breaks this support, I can take a sell below here. That's why I have sells right here. Sells below there, right? So if price breaks that, I can take sells below here, coming down to this support. Boom. And then if price breaks this, I can take sells coming down further. But you don't really got to worry about this until price gets down there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, bro? Hey, guys. See what patience does to you? Waited patiently. Price never closed above. Boom, no buys, no trade. So, price breaks below this, sells, coming down. It's, you know, all you gotta do is be patient today. Roger, last 4 pips as he wasn't as patient as you. Hey, bro. People come here bashing me, saying I do this, do that. Hey, I mean, we all trade differently, right? Like, if I were to copy him, say, then I would take the same trade. Right? But no, I didn't. I didn't even know he took a trade until you told me just now. So people just love wasting their time trolling you and starting shit that's not supposed, that has no reason to be started. But hey, he doesn't do whatever he doesn't want to do.
Hold a bit.
Man, you need to change your mic. I think I need to change my mic too, bro. I think I need to get a new one. Cause it's like a Astro head. Like this is fine. Like I don't know. It's kind of like it cuts off sometimes. I guess cause I think it's too far from my face. Hold on. Is that better? What if I talk like this? Is that better? Cause I know it cuts off sometimes. Cause I stay like, if I say something too softly, it doesn't pick it up. But my mic. This is my mic right now. I mean, hey, it's a good mic, but it's just, I know what you mean. I hear it on the replay sometimes. I'm out, done for the day. Nice, bro. It's 8 a.m. You're done for a day, man. That's an amazing feeling, bro. That's an amazing feeling. Just imagine, guys. People start the day at this time. 9 to 5, 8 to 5, 8 to 4, 8 to 2. They work those hours. Boom. You gone straight. You trade. Go woke up at whatever X time. Let's say 6 o'clock this morning, 6:30 ish. Hop on the charts. Be patient. Took one trade. Took like 5 minutes. Boom. Out for a day. Done. Voila. 8 a.m. By the time people start the day, you made X amount of dollars. $1, $10, $100, whatever it is, whatever lot size you use. You made X amount of dollars. So. I mean, you don't gotta make your whole salary within a day, guys. You can just build up slowly every day. Like I said yesterday. Let's say, for example, say you made $50 today, or let's say $20 today. Right? That's a very like good number for like a lot of small accounts, right? Let's say you make $20 a day. $20 times. So let's say you made that within 30 minutes of entering a trade. So $20, if you made it on 30 minutes, an hour, that's $40, right? So you pretty much made $4 an hour. So, $4. Hold on, wait. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, something happened. I had to go do something real quick. But yeah, so I was saying, yeah, so you made let's say you make $20 today, right? So if you were to make $20 every day in a week, in a trading week, that may not seem a lot to you guys, right? But that's still something you made within 30 minutes. So let's say $20 times 5. You made $100 within a week. What do you do? Times that by 4. 4 weeks of trading. You made $400 within 1 month, bro. You can pay off your car note. You can pay off your house rent bills, pay off your gas bills, whatever bills you want to pay, your phone bill. You can pay something. You gotta pay all your bills within one, you know, with the 1 month of trading. You can pay some bills. But see what $20 a day can do to you. And so let me tell you this: how often do you guys lose money because you're trying to make $400 within a day? Like, let's say you have let's say you have like a $400 account. Some of you guys chase a $400 flip within a day. How often do you lose your account trying to do that? Like, I'm pretty much what I'm saying is compound growth versus account flips, right? See what compound growth does to you. $20 a day, that's compound. Let's say you have a $400 account or $200 account. Actually, no, that's a lot. $400 account, that's 5%. You make $20 per day. You know, $400 within a month. You just flip your account within a month. 100% account growth within a month. It's not, you know, it's more achievable than trying to flip your account in a day. But what I'm trying to say here is that you just made like pretty much a decent amount of money just by trading for like 30 minutes a day, and that's a great feeling. That's the point of trading, because when you're trying to trade, guys. Because like when you guys started trading, what was your first intentions? You wanted to save time, right? You wanted to have more time on your hands to do other things. Maybe chill with your family. Maybe you didn't want to go to work anymore. Maybe you didn't want to travel like to work, whatever it is, right? So when you trade, because a lot of you guys be trading and you guys be trading all day. That's not the point of trading. Because if you're gonna do that, you might as well work all day. Like, if you're trading all day, you might as well work all day, right? Yeah. Trade to save time. That's all that is. That's all that it is. But anyways, this 15-minute counter here, guys, closed bearish here. So if this 30-minute counter here, 15-minute counter here closed bearish at this resistance, that shows you that we could be headed down to the support down here at this range. So, and once the support gets broken, then you can take sells coming down to this next zone, and then that's what I'm looking for. So this is kind of like non-tradable for me. Non-tradable right here. This right here, non-tradable. XSO. What's tradable is above here and below here. This is tradable, right? So that's how you gotta figure out what's tradable and what's not tradable. 115 people. What up, guys? Good morning. What up, yo? What's up, 44666? Your boy Jimmy in here today. Your boy Jimmy in here today. iPhone, what's up? Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon? What time is it your time, man? This is good morning to me. I mean, it feels like an afternoon. I've been up since like 4. I've been up for 4 hours, yo. I woke up a lot earlier today. I don't know. I just woke up, couldn't go back to sleep. $2:07, so it's 2:07 there. That's like 6 hours ahead. What is that? What time is that there? London? 6 hours ahead, right? That's UK, right? UK time is 6 hours ahead. That's where it is. UTS. Here. What damn? What time is that? Asian session? That's Asia, right? Tokyo hours. South Africa. Oh. Gold analytic is dropping. Yeah, closed bearish resistance. It's still in this type of this range here. This little box right here. So yeah, I'll say you can take sells below this box though. Below here, take nice sells coming down to this support or maybe this support. Safely here, 1998. And buys would be above here. So 2030, 2026 where I marked earlier. But yeah, just try, this range is like kind of like choppy. Try to avoid it as much as possible. Well, that's how I'll do. I'm here in Thailand. Oh shit. Damn. Mongolia? Oh shit. Damn, you guys are coming from all across the world. That's kind of crazy, man, to be honest. You guys are from like all over the world. I'm just from Canada here. I stuck here for 6 months. I'm from Canada. Oh, nice. Oh shit, you got stuck there for 6 months. Damn. Hey, that vibe within 6 months? That's like what? 6 months ago, that's February? March, April, May, June, July, August. That's February. 1 hour gold like solid liquidity grab drive up higher. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. I see that. I think once you break the highs here, yeah, there could be liquidity drive back up. Because what happened on a smaller time frame is it came down, bullish candle closure back in the range. So high chance of it coming up further. How long you been streaming? I've been streaming. Are you talking about today, or are you talking about like just the start? Because when I started, I started in back in March, April. No, I don't know. Hold on. Go on videos. Go on. Oh, 1.23k. Nice, guys. We'll hit 2k here. Started streaming. First day of my streaming was March 23rd. Oh man, I watched the video, guys. The audio was so bad. It was terrible. There's echoes and everything going on, man. I spent the first half an hour trying to fix my audio. Hey, gotta start somewhere, right? Flame, I like your stream, man. Inspiring. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I love, bro. Peace and love. Hello, sir. USD buy or sell. USD buy or sell, guys. I don't know if you're trolling me or you're asking me, but send me a chart. I'll look at it, bro. Send me a nice April chart. Oh, we're approaching this. We're approaching this level here below. 15's about closing 3 minutes here. Nice. If there's one thing you guys got out today's stream, it was probably being patient. 100%. We didn't take buys here, right? All thanks to being patient. Because we had our plan. Remember, we had our plan out. We had everything planned out. We just needed to wait for it to close, and it didn't close. Is it realistic to make 20% a month? Hell yeah, man. That's hella realistic. I say an average. People like, I don't know what the average is. But I don't know, man. I'm saying like, so if you're making 3% per day, that's like what? How many trading days are in a month? So you have 2 for 6 off days. So 30 minus 6. Yeah, 24, 22. I mean 20. You have like 24 trading days, 23, right? 24, 25-ish. So let's say you make 25 times 3. Yeah, so if you make 3% per day trading, you're making 75% in a month. Or let's say you make 2% per day trading, you're making 75. You're making, hold on, 75. You're making 25 times 2. You're making 50% in a month if you're making 2% per day. If you're making 1% per day, you're making 25%. So yeah, if you're making 1% per day, man, you're making around 20%. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. That's very good actually. Hey, but hey, like, no one's gonna be here to tell you what's good, what's right, and what's not, right? If you want to make, like, you don't have to make 10%. You make 10% a month. Like this is, you know, like everyone has their own like comfort level, right? Whatever your comfort is, stick with it. If you're fine 20%, then stick to 20%. But someone else's 20% could be in a day. Hey, by all means, they can do whatever they want to do. But stick to your plan, bro. Just stick to it. Just be consistent. Think of it. Like, what am I willing to do this for another year? Am I willing to stick to this percentage for another year? Do you like to trade? Do you like to take trade on running candle or after close of candle? It depends on the scenario, man. In this case, when I look for buyers here, I was looking for a closure above here. So a closure candle in that case. But if I were to take a sell, once it broke below these lows, this would be an opening candle because you have a sell sauce below there, coming down to the next support down here. Boom. That'd be a sell that I would have took. Right? If I were to take sells on opening candle. Or for example, this candle, boom, this candle right here. This candle closed above it, boom. Buy sauce above there. To go up, right? So it depends on the scenario. It really depends. If you go on my Instagram, you see all the highlights. You can get a good like indication of what I kind of do. Let's go through all the videos though. You know, this is all value here, all breakdowns. What's your opinion on compounding? Say buy 5% or 12% a day as a challenge. I don't really have a challenge, man, because I really feel like challenges, bro. What it does to you, I did a challenge one time, only one time. Last time I ever do it, last time I'll ever do it. It was a very successful challenge too. It was in my VIP group where it was a $100 account to a $1,000 account. It took us 3 or 4 months, I forgot, but it took time. I still have the chat up actually. I still have it up, but I should not delete it actually. But yeah, it took time, and I'll say I'm never gonna do it again. Why? Because when you put a challenge in, or if you put something on the line, it's like not pressure, but it's like in the back of your head, it's telling you like, oh, you gotta hit a certain amount of percentage in a day or X amount a day. You know, and it's just I just like trading. I just like if there's not a move, like for example, if there's not a move today, I'm not gonna take a trade. I'm not gonna take a trade because I'm trying to catch 2% per day or whatever X amount, right? I'm just not gonna trade because there was no move today, right? If there's a move, I'll take a trade, but if there's no move, I wouldn't take a trade, right? You know what I mean? But hey, I'll say to answer your question, I'll say like compounding. I mean, my account goes like 1-2% per day, like not per day, but like on average, if I were to trade on trading days, on tradable days, right? Tradable days is when I take trades. So yeah, so whenever I take a trade, usually 1-2%, and I only risk like what 2% per trade, 1%. So yeah, 2 trades per day, 2-3%, 4 sometimes. Had a good week, had a good day one time, 5%, pretty decent. But I'm telling you guys, bro, I'm telling you guys, bro, everyone has their own percentage. Like 1% for me could be a lot less for you, could be a lot more for you. You know, if your account size is different, it's all different. Just focus on whatever percentage you want and just stick with it. At what point account balance did you stop adding funds to your account? I still add funds to my account. Actually, yeah, I still add funds to my account. Actually no. I mean, I have funds. I had funds from the market. You know what I mean? They give me the funds. The market gives me the funds. Catching pips gives me the funds, but I don't know, I just withdraw and then keep a certain amount in my account usually that I'm comfortable with. Sometimes, let's say 1 month I want to get easy, I just take out a bigger amount, and the next month if I feel more comfortable, I just add back that amount. But I mean, hey, at some point, guys, let's say you have like a 50K account, and at some point, like let's say you're making withdrawals frequently, like once a month or twice a month, right? So let's say you're trying to risk 1% of your account. Actually, no, that's too complex. Never mind. Scratch that. I didn't say anything. TM, what does that mean? I can't read that. I don't know what that means, bro. But hey, hey. How long you trade Forex? I've been trading Forex for about 2 years, I can say. About 2 years. Year and like 3/4, a year and a half, 3/4 ish. I'll say 2 years. Gold push past, yep, past 2010. Yep, it closed above. Well, it's about to close above here in 15 minutes here. Speaking about closing, this 15-minute count right here kind of closed bearish here. Yeah, so I'm taking sells below here, guys. This is a range. Just stay out this range here. This is a range. There's no trade here. Alright? So I'm gonna put this range here. Alright? Wait for buys above, sells below. Let's see first, let's find out a great method. Do yourself to find a great trading that works for you. Depends on control of days where your method does not work. I mean, hey, I don't focus on like my percentage in a day. I never focus on that. I focus on my trades. I just focus on the trade. But in the back of my head, I understand risk management before I enter a trade. I'm not gonna be like, oh, this trade looks so good, I'm gonna put a 100 lot on this, you know, versus my 100% account. Like, no, I'm not gonna do that. Like, I have risk, I have percentage back in my account to manage my risk. And yeah, at the end of the day, it just adds up. Like, it's obviously gonna go up. If you're making profits, your account's gonna go up, right? So it's but I'm not really like, you know, I'm gonna make 5% a day. I'm gonna make 6% a day. Like, I'm not like, my method is it's never not gonna work. Like, because my method is not a method. It's not a train. It's not like a specific. It's not a specific method. It's not a specific strategy. It's not like X ABC equals D. It's not. That's not what my method is. My method is very fluid. Like, I won't even say I have a method. It's just like reading counts and waiting for structure to break. That's all that is. It'll be there forever because support and resistance is there forever. As long as candles are there, bro, my method is there. And candles is what Forex is. So that's all that. That's what price is. That's all that will be there, right? So, oh, price is at 2011. Nice. Gold flying, yeah. Gold is flying, man. Gold is flying. Wait for buys. Target is 2030. Same target as yesterday, guys. If you guys missed yesterday's stream, don't worry. I got a highlight video for you guys to make your life easier. Just watch this highlight, and that's all that is. 2030 is the next target. Don't know how? Right here. Oh, GJ came back up. Yeah, see, it didn't take sells. Wait for, it didn't close below. Boom. Oh man, I missed my entry. I just looked away. This would have been my entry right here, guys. Buy stocks above here. Yikes. It's alright. I'm gonna wait 8 minutes here. See how it closes there. Damn, that's tough. I did not see it flipped so fast. Holy shit. Okay, I'm out. We need this kind of close above here. We need to close above. If he missed the move here, it's fine. I'll be fine with that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I looked away for 2 seconds.
Jesus, man.
The market's like,
I just
yeah.
I just looking at gold.
Yeah, I know. They both flew up. There's news? There's no news, right? No, that's no news.
Gonna be news for USD within 9 minutes, but nothing out of it.
Oh wait, there is. I forgot.
Really?
I put my news thing to filtered for Reddit only folders. There we go. That's better. There's news today. Yeah, barely news. Yeah, it's minor news. Nothing really happened there though. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. Go into your rocket ship. Yes, sir. There's a shitload of volume around me not to break those highs. Yeah. We need to close above. We have 7 minutes here. Let's say it's gonna continue pushing probably. High chance. High chance. I'm guessing the 1 hour, yeah. So this bearish candle right here is just a liquidity wick, right? Why? The 1 hour is bullish now. See? Liquidity wick. Never broke the lows.
Because it had all the momentum to go down right now.
Yeah.
And it's
I think I want to take buys here, guys. It's breaking the 30-minute high here. 1 hour flip bullish, then break the lows. Oof, high chance in the closer. I might attempt to buy here, guys. Stops are 16 pips. TP is gonna be about 43 pips on a runner. So I'm in this trade here. Stops are what? 12 pips, right? 16 pips. Hold on, what's it? 16 pips? My bad. Stop here. Current candle. Because price is breaking above. We made a wick earlier. Resistance. If price is breaking above here, we have nowhere else to go but up here. Right? So, taking an attempt here. We're also breaking the 30-minute highs too, so let's see. Yeah, TP's up there, guys. What I'm gonna do in this trade is I'm probably gonna close half as price taps this target here. 10 pips. And then let the runner go to this target. So close half there, stops the entry there, and then boom, runner go to this target. Right, New York open, first 30-minute candle and closer. 15-minute candle broke the highs. 1 hour is flipping bullish, breaking back into the range. Very high chance to continue up here. If this 1 hour candle closes bearish though, I'm gonna exit the trade. Or if the 30-minute candle here closes bearish, I'm gonna exit the trade. But we have 5 minutes left. But yeah, we're breaking above these highs here. This is pretty much a buy stop pretty much. Stops right below current candle. I guess there's just like a volume push for New York Open, I'm saying. Probably. I opened up a 5 lot in this trade, guys. So a little smarter than usual, but hey. Pending orders plus probability. I don't know if this is a really pending order. I mean, it is a pending order, I guess. Pretty much. But yeah, I guess so. It's a pending order.
Hey bro, what is your experience with adding lot size on winning trades?
Alright. So yeah, so that will come with, I guess, advantage points. So what does that mean? That means that, let's say my target for day is up here. I would only add positions if the trade makes sense. Like, let's think of it this way. If you didn't answer the first trade yet, would you want to enter this second trade here? When adding that second position. For example, if let's say I enter a buy here, boom, buy there. Price breaks above here, closes above here, boom. I'll take another buy right here. That'll be my second entry. Why? Because now, if I didn't enter the first trade, I'll enter right here. Because price is breaking above this resistance level. But I'm not going to add positions just because I'm in profit. Like, that doesn't make sense, you know what I mean? Like, that's the worst way to add positions. Like, if you're adding positions because you're in profit, the more profit you're in, the more thing you'll make, that will not make sense. Because now you're just trading with emotions. You're not trading with what actually makes sense or not. So, yeah, in this case, yeah. I'll take an entry here, first entry. Take an entry above here. And let the TP go to this target.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
I've never done it. I just asking because I'm considering to do it.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't added positions in a while. I don't know. I like to just stick to one position. I used to add a lot of positions though. Maybe because I'm not much of a swinger anymore, so yeah, that's why. But yeah, guys, I use this a little smaller lot in this trade. I use a 5 instead of 8 because stops are a little bit bigger. Stops are what, 14 pips? 14 pips here, so wanted to keep the lot smaller, a bit smaller. But hey, we close in 3 minutes here, right? And the next candle, we know what it's gonna do. We know that if it wants to drive up, it has to make a lower wick. So, oh, where is it? If the next candle right here makes a lower wick, let's say it goes up like this, and it makes a lower wick. Once this lower wick, like this lower wick right here, once it makes that lower wick, I'm moving my stop loss up to that lower wick because this is the new hourly low. This is the new low for a 30-minute candle now. So pressure and break this low if it wants to drive up. So now instead of risking 14 pips, I'm only risk like 4 pips, whatever it is, wherever the lower wick is. It can be down here, it can be wherever, but until it flips bullish, I'm not moving my stops to that lower wick yet. Where would you put your stop loss for gold? If I were to enter gold, I mean, you would have entered, let's see, 15-minute closer. I think what I would have done, I would have waited for this 15-minute close anyways. I don't think I would have entered it. I would have waited for this candle to close, because now it's closing above, right? My stops would be below the current candle. This is the smallest stops you can possibly put here. That makes sense. So yeah, I probably have like a 20 pip stop, a 35 pip stop loss on gold if you're looking to enter. And TP is like the next target. Hoping that doesn't hit your break the lows here. Yeah, once you just flips and breaks this high here, oh, it's gone. It's gone, guys. Gotta go. They say gold, I meant GJ. My bad, not gold. Oh, looks like it's coming up. Oh, let's see. You calculate the percentage of losses every time, or do you use magic keys? I don't use magic keys anymore. I only use it before to close trades half and stuff like that, but calculating your percentage stuff like that, it kind of screwed me over. I didn't really like it. It's our personal preference though. Let's go, GJ. Yeah, let's hopefully it goes. Hey man, people coming here talking shit about my streams, this and that. Hey bro, telling me this and that about other people's streams. Hey, it's all smiles here. I love to the other guys that stream. I appreciate them. Good streamers, good value, good content. So if you guys ever, I know you guys are trolls. So if you guys ever like send a clip of me saying something, I got proof that I said nothing but great things about them. Oh, looks like we closed bullish above the range here. So this would have been an entry anyways, right? If I were to enter, this would have been right here. So let's see. Once this candle flips bullish and breaks these highs, guys, I'm gonna move my stops to that low. Oh, come on, flip. Break the highs so it'll make my life easier. That's all that it has to do, guys. What is up, bro? Focus on this buy. I mean, I'm focused, bro. I know what I'm doing here. I got my plan out already. Once this candle right here flips, guys, once we retest these highs, approaching the high, I'm moving my stops up to this low.
Man, the 4-hour candle is gonna close within 30 minutes, and if we can push enough to close above the range, man, it's gonna be
4-hour candle.
For
oh hell yeah! If we close oh man, he's right. If you close above 139, 144, guys, in the 4-hour candle here, woo, target for day is gonna get smacked. Oh guys, move my stops up to entry. Oh, low in profit, like a pip in profit here, to entry pretty much. Yeah, I'm moving into entry pretty much below this candle, this wick right here. So say goodbye to GJ buys. I mean, say goodbye to GJ. Get ready for a rocket ship. I'm not gonna put the emoji yet. I'm gonna put the emoji once we break above here. All right. But hey guys, risk-free trade, clean. That's all that we did today. Clean. Now you just sit back, relax, hit your entry, whatever. His TP, cool. But you're not gonna lose today. You're not gonna lose today. That's what you can say today. You're not gonna. You were the top 2% of trades, 1% of trades today. Top 5%. You didn't lose today. If you only took the trade, right? So, yeah. I like your stream. Keep up the great work, man. Appreciate it, bro. I love, bro. I really appreciate everyone that shows up to the streams every morning. It's pretty crazy how people wake up. You know, it's like people just wake up at 6:30 just to watch the stream and trade live. It's pretty cool. If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like on the stream. If you guys do the trade, leave a like. We're currently about, let's see. 7% profit, not bad. Should be head up to here. The only part I was worried about here, it was this part right here. Look left. I was worried about this part, but now we're breaking it. Oh man, we're breaking it. We're going up here. 10% profit. Can we get 10 pips? 10 pips, 10 pips. There we go. I'm closing half here, guys. At 9, 10-ish pips. So yeah. Closing 50% here of my positions. Have a 2.5 lot remaining on this trade. And that is how you stay patient. And that is how you manage the trades. And that's how you secure profits. So if you learned all those 3 things today in the stream, guys, leave a like on the stream. Let's get it. Man, what a great stream, guys. Free risk. Yes, yes,
Hey.
yes, yes, yes.
Man. Wow.
To the T. Everything was to the T today. I love it.
And you avoided the loss, actually.
Yeah, avoid the loss. Yeah.
Exactly, because I took that L. I took the L on
Yeah?
the first one.
That's alright, bro.
Mhm.
I mean, is this your second trade for a day?
Yeah, second trade.
Nice. Yeah, you're good. It's your last trade, right? And this is a runner too, so hey.
Exactly.
You can possibly go up here. What time did I take the trade at, guys? Do you guys know? Let's check. Let me check actually.
7:20ish. No, actually 25ish.
25-ish?
Like 24 because I saw that 5 minute. I was looking at that.
Oh yeah,
5 minute
yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's get it, guys. Now let's hope we break this high here. So now if you're looking for more entries, you gotta wait for a price to break above here. Close above here. We have 10 minutes left, so be patient. Price could reject off this level here. It could. Higher chance that it doesn't, but it could. So that's why I'm closing half here. Right? $8:22. Hold on. Yeah. 8:22 a.m. was the exact entry. Man, I love what I do every morning, bro. I swear. It's like, when you wake up every day, guys, and you just love coming to your job, your work, man, your office, it's just an amazing feeling. Seeing this, guys, seeing all it paying off, like patience, like all those years, all those months of just, over leveraging, over trading, losing, not having patience, not being, it just played off. And you do that every day now. You know how to avoid all those things now. And it's just an amazing feeling. Would you add more positions on close above or just leave the runner? Me, I'm not adding more positions. I'm not. But if I didn't enter the first trade, yeah, this could be a potential entry once you break above here. But hey, yeah, you can do whatever you guys want to do. It's up to you guys now. Close 50% here at 10 plus pips. I took 3 trades this week. 2 yesterday. 1 today. GJ is bullish. Winner day. Yes. Winner chicken dinner. Winner chicken dinner. Is there any reason you picked GJ as the only pair? Yeah, I explained it multiple times. It's just that it's not too slow, it's not too fast. It's a great volume. It has a lot of volume. Another thing is that I only gotta focus on the pound right now because the yen's closed, right? So you don't gotta focus on too much shit. And yeah, it's just overall, it's just a great pair trade. I love it. Patience, kept those in. What? Oh, you kept closing off? What was your entry? 139.044? 139. How come it says 0.24 here on my 5? Yeah, around there. 20. Let's take what? One pip off? Yeah, pretty much here. Around these levels here. Yeah. Your mantra is below is count winners, so we're safe here. We should we're safe right now. We should be safe. Safe at meaning like it shouldn't break the low if it wants to drive up, right? We have a very good entry. It's not the middle of the candle, you know. It's at the very bottom of the candle. So if it flips bearish, you guys know it's gonna come back down probably, right? So see. I really wanted to break 139, 144. This is a potential 40 pip move here. We are going up, yes, sirski. I want to play music, guys, but I can't, man. It's whatever. Where are my people at in the stream though? Where's Sam and Jimmy at? Nah, that's the real question. Where they at? It's alright though. I got Henrique here. He's my boy. uh, 10 pips secure. Done for a day. Appreciate it, down. Left a like as well. Hey guys, you heard it. If you enjoyed the trade, if you took the trade, leave a like, guys. Leave a like. Let's 120 live viewers right now. Come on, let's hit 50 plus likes today. Come on, hit it. Where's the crew? Yeah, they're slumped right now, bro. They're all slumped. I don't know, man. I guess training wasn't their mode today. But hey, actually no, Jimmy actually has he can't go on streams. His Wi-Fi's down or something. His floor, he has to do his floors or something. I don't know. But Sam, yeah, that guy's slumped. You guys know him by now. But Taj, you here, bro? You've been here the whole time. Are you sleeping? This guy's probably sleeping in the streams.
Bro, I'm so
Hog you guys. What's up? You sleep? You slump?
bro, I'm tired as hell, man.
Hey, that's dedication though. He goes on the stream. Yo, cause Taj, he's from Arizona, right? So he wakes up at 4 a.m. in the morning just to hop on the streams. Man, he hops on the streams, he goes to sleep. That's dedication. Even if you go to sleep, man, you're on the stream supporting. Man, that's straight dedication right there, guys.
Man, I don't even know how it feels, bro. I've been waking up at 4 o'clock, at 4 a.m. to trade London.
Oh my lord. Are you tired? Aren't you worn out? I'll be worn out. Wait, what time is it there? 1 hour back, right? Or 1 hour ahead?
Yeah, 9:40.
Yeah.
And yesterday, I had the worst mistake of a trader can do. You know, instead of clicking buy,
Oh my god, that's the worst one. Yeah. I lost a shit ton of money doing that.
Thank God. Before I checked my meta trading and I saw I closed in -2 pips at least. Not bad. It could be much worse, man.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, hey, but yeah, it's like I know how it feels though. Like you want to get in trade quick, but you just click it's either that or you click on the wrong pair sometimes. I used to do that as well. But now I clear everything on my queue list except for GJ. That's it. I cleared gold, I cleared US30, I cleared all of that. It's only gold, GJ now, so I can't misclick that. Yeah, that's funny. Facts, I slept 3 times but heard a signal and woke up, man. How do you wake up to I didn't send a signal, I forgot. But hey, how do you wake up to my voice saying I'm buying now? That's pretty crazy, bro. This the contest winner? What's the contest, bro? Where's the contest? I'm confused. Change to 3:30 a.m. for me. Damn, that's dedication, bro. Where you from? 3:30. That's like what? 3:30 is. Where's that? I don't know where that is. That's like 5 hours. That's like, oh no, it's 3 hours back. Oh, that's PST time. Yeah, that's San Diego. Yeah, California PST. The contest? Oh, the contest winner. Nah, The contest winner is Addy, and what's that guy's name? Shit, Ifty. He's not here right now. Addy's here though. I don't know what Addy's doing right here though. He's on mute or something. Addy, do you want to speak to the crowd? Nah, bro, he's shy. He doesn't want to speak to the crowd. I don't want to put him on the
Who's
spot.
shy?
Oh, yo, what up, bro?
What up?
What up, bro? Yo, you've been mute this whole time. I haven't heard you speak once on the stream, bro.
Yeah, I'll be letting you do your thing. You know how it
Nah,
is.
you can talk whenever you want, bro. Feel free. Add on and shit.
I feel it.
Yo, how you doing, bro? How's the course treating you?
It's lovely. I like it. It's really detailed.
You took an interest there?
I took two. I took one during London. I think I got like 15 pips, and then I entered the same one that you entered
Playing.
during New York.
Yeah. You trade London too? Where you from? What time
I'm from
zone?
Detroit. I was just be up.
Oh, that's my
Just
time.
being
Detroit's
nigga.
mine. That's like across from Toronto.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got to visit sometime.
That's like near Niagara Falls, right? Like, wait,
Detroit?
yeah.
No, Detroit's in Michigan.
Wait, I swear that's near Niagara Falls. Hold on.
Detroit, Michigan. Motor City.
Try it. I swear that's very close to Niagara Falls. That's like, yeah, it's a 3-hour drive. That's pretty much that's
Is it really 3
yeah,
hours?
yeah, it's 3-hour drive. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, 3-hour drive. It's not bad. Yeah,
I
it's
for
pretty
sure
much.
got to visit then.
Yeah, it's near Toronto, bro. Super near.
Maybe when I visit, we can link.
I've been to Detroit one time, I think. Before. I've been to.
What-
I was on a tour like before. Like I went to like New York, Philadelphia, Atlanta, Detroit, New York, Chicago.
Damn, you was on
Within
the
like
tour,
3
you're
days.
like that?
Within 3 days, bro. It's crazy nuts.
You're like that?
And
You was on the
Indiana.
tour?
Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, it was back then though. Crazy. But yo, how's
That's
Detroit
crazy.
though? I heard it's kind of crazy.
I mean, if you're from there, you love it. I love it. But if you're not from there, I guess you could say that.
Is it crazy?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's
Yeah.
pretty crazy.
I mean, Toronto's crazy, but like not that crazy.
Like just like a couple weeks ago, we was at a restaurant, Coney Island, and somebody got popped. Well, two people got popped for no reason. Somebody
Damn.
was just being.
It's like a regular restaurant.
Yeah, just regular restaurant. Everybody's chilling, and then this dude just acts out.
Crazy. Oh, that's America, bro. That's like all America.
That's facts. I gotta come to Canada for real.
Yeah, Canada's like, yo, if you go to Canada, it's like a lot like I don't know. I guess you'd be like, oh, people are a lot nicer. Like
That's what I heard.
Yeah, y'all
Canadians
gonna
are
hear people
super
say
nice.
thanks or like, oh sorry. Like after everything, like people, I say a lot too, but like people say after everything, like they bump to each other, oh my bad, sorry, or like they walk in front of each other, oh my bad, sorry. Like it's just super nice, yo.
Yeah, that's what I heard. They'd be like, "Oh no, after you."
Yeah. It's like, oh, no, yo, it's just like, I don't know. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. I'd rather be in Canada than America, to be honest, though.
Facts.
No
Even
offense
though
to all
I've
my
never been
Americans,
there,
though.
Facts.
I've been to America. I like the food and shit there, but like for living, I'd rather live in Canada.
Yo, that's why we're all fat.
Yo, cause you guys have a shit ton more restaurants. A
We got
lot
the
more.
bigger sizes. It's
Yeah.
all cheap.
Oh
You can get a burger for like $2, but a salad for like $12. What is that?
For really? That's how it is.
Yes.
Holy
It's
shit.
really like that.
Crazy.
It's really like that.
Yeah, I've been to New York. I went to Shake Shack, New York. It's pretty lit.
Yeah,
You-
New York is beautiful.
Yo, you like Shake Shack?
Yeah, I like Shake Shack. Shake Shack's nice.
Shake Shack or like Five Guys?
I have to say Five Guys.
Wait, you guys have Burgers Priest?
Burger who?
Burgers Priest.
Nah. we
Wait,
don't
you
got
guys don't have that, right? Hold on. Yo, watch this.
I
Watch
don't
this.
think so.
Yo, Burgers Priest. Oh, fuck. Yo, what's it called? Vatican. Yo, this burger. Yo, tell
Oof,
me.
Look at that.
Now, let's look at it though. You have the buns is grilled cheese. Grilled cheese bun,
What?
both sides grilled cheese. Like
The
bun,
buns are grilled cheese.
bun, cheese, bun. Grilled with butter
I'm
at the
about
top.
to move to Canada right now.
Bro, holy shit. Yo, that Five Guys is crazy.
Bro, that looks insane. I love grilled cheese on a burger. Bro, that's genius. What?
Yeah, it's crazy. Like, who's in Toronto in my chat? Oh no, no one. Yeah, bro. Like,
Bro, dead ass. Like who? What? Yeah, I gotta for sure come to Canada now, just for that.
you come Canada, bro. Come Toronto, cause Canada's kind of boring everywhere else, to be honest. Like,
I come link with you, man.
yeah, hell yeah. Hopefully, this shit ends soon. This virus.
Facts,
'Cause I was supposed to do a
Just
course
boys
in I was supposed to do a course in Toronto, but I couldn't because of this virus. We're gonna have to wait.
They sent everybody back.
Yep. Yeah.
What is this Canada doing?
This account taking forever to close. Laugh my ass. Oh, yeah, that's you. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we need this candle here to close above the range here. Like, we really need to close above 139, 144. Because think about it. If you didn't enter this trade where I entered, would you enter a trade right now? You wouldn't, right? Because you would make the same mistake you made earlier. Remember earlier we avoided a trade here somewhere here. This right here. We avoided this right here. It broke above. We didn't take it, right? This can happen again. We don't know that yet, right? But until it happens, until we actually close above, there's no trade here. If you're in a trade, it's different though. If you're in a trade, it's a run trade. It's a risk-free trade, right? You're anticipating it to break above. It's different. But if you didn't enter yet, then that's another story. You gotta be patient. Oh, Mike Ross from Canada. What up, bro? From Toronto. Man, there's this page on Instagram. It's called. Oh. It's called Six Buzz. It's a Toronto page, right? This is all Toronto. Oh yeah, you guys have poutine yet before? Have you guys ever had poutine in America? Bro. You're from Brampton? Oh man. You're not from Toronto, bro. But hey. Yeah, you guys don't have poutine in America. Poutine is like cheese curds with gravy and like fries. It's pretty good. But hey, if you guys want to know more about Toronto here, this is all Toronto here for you guys. It's pretty crazy. Not gonna lie. Just gonna go follow that page up. Look at this. Oh, brother. Gold. Shut up. Nice. Yeah, so, you know, we made a liquidity wick, I guess. This camera here made a liquidity wick. Never broke the lows. Flip back bullish. Now we're going to pop further up here to continue the trend. So, 2026. That should happen today, guys. Hog you guys, boggers. Yeah, see, so now, like, step 1, we did it. Step 2, we did it. Step 3, enter trade, we did it. Step 4, manage it, we did it. Step 5, we're done for a day, right? So, like, technically, right now, if I wasn't trading, I'll be asleep. There's no need to really watch this. This is a runner, right? But, hey, I'm gonna just stream for a little more, provide more content, provide more value here. Just try to give you guys, like, what my thought process is until we tap TP. I want it to tap very soon, but if it doesn't tap by, like, 9:30ish, I'm hopping off, bro. Because this is a runner, right? Just chill out, relax right now. Facts. This is the best part in trading. When you move your stops to entry and close half. Best feeling in the world, bro, I swear. Nothing can beat it. Nothing can beat this feeling. It's just a relief. It's like, wow, I waited all morning for this one trade and now it's a risk-free trade within 2 minutes. Best feeling ever. This is where a lot of people get like kind of like a FOMO feeling because they missed this mover. They missed this entire move this morning, and now they're like, fuck. I want to enter here before it goes up to here. But hey, until we close above, guys, stay out. I'll warn you, stay out. You have this rejection level right here. Very scary level. Price can go up or down. Close above, it's going up. Close bearish, it's going down. What price could do is it could maybe come down to tap the support down here and eventually fly up later on like this. We test the highs, right? But we don't know what it's going to do yet. We have 10 minutes left, 8 minutes left until the account closes, so we just wait patiently here. 1 hour is still bullish though, so let's see. Very high chance the next hourly pushes up. 4 hour candle is going to close above, and it should be able to push up. If the current candle breaks the high previous 15, would that be a good entry? No. Because I'll wait. I only use those buy stops in different scenarios. Like for example, in a scenario like this candle broke the highs of this bearish candle. The opposite candle mean that it's breaking structure. It broke the opposite candle structure. It's gonna go up. But this is different. This is like we're breaking the same candle high here. What happened here? This candle is bullish. This candle broke the highs. What happened after? It came back bearish. It's not that strong as it breaking this. Like this break compared to this break is a lot stronger than this. You know what I mean? But yeah. Closure buy, full margin sells. I already closed half, bro. If it hits my entry, it hits my entry. This is my only trade for a day anyways, right? So I'm just gonna let it run. I'm bullish for a day. 4 hour lower wick. I mean, the lower wick is good on GJ because it's a liquidity wick. These wicks are just bearish candles on a small time frame, right? This candle's bullish. This candle's come up bullish. Yeah. It's a liquidity wick for price to go up later on, right? Candle came down. Now it's half lit bullish is going up. But I really don't see sells, guys, at all until we break below it. If we break below like 138, 870, I'm convinced that we're probably gonna come down to these levels down here. But until then, or if we break below here, but until then, like I'm pretty bullish for a day. Like this is just bullish right now. You know, people said buy sells all day, whatever. I stuck to my bias, wait patiently, and there you go. All that is 50. Nice trade, boys. Had a tough one last night. Damn, bro. We're just talking about you. I'm like, where you at? I'm like, where you at, bro? Stream till 10 a.m. This rocket ship, man. I don't know about that, man. Yo, you guys play Fall Guys? Let me know. You guys play that game Fall Guys? Cause hey, we can pop that game up right now. We can play.
DJ, you got 5 minutes. CJ, 5 minutes. Push 2 pips. 2
GJ,
pips.
you got 5 minutes to close above this range here.
Call the market maker now, man. Get your fund.
You want me to call him? I got you.
Please, come on. 2 pips, man. 2
I
pips and a
got you.
half.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Come on, bro.
Hello, yeah, so I'd like to send a request for GJ to go up here. I'll likely want a counter close bullish above the range here, and for us to potentially pop up. Yeah, I'm on stream right now. Yeah. I'm on stream. Yeah, they hear you. Yeah, I want you to do that so it can make me look good. Alright. 10 a.m. By 10 a.m. Can you do it like before 9:30? Yeah. Alright. Cool. Alright. Thanks. Alright, guys. So yeah, I just spoke to the market maker, and he said how the move should be played out around like 9:01. He said if the spike occurs at 9:01 and it doesn't go up fully, it'll take another 12 minutes to go up. So maybe like 9:24, it'll push up, and by 9:30, it should be around like these levels. So this he said like specifically this is what could happen. You push up like this, 9:25. This is the candle. Next candle goes up, boom, taps it, flips back bearish. So we should tap TP, flip back bearish for a little bit, and then continue on for later for a day, right? But that's what should happen here. That's what the market maker just told me, guys. So not my words, just his, eh? So hey, don't tell me if you know.
Let's see.
High close to couldn't see the floating, haha. If only we were baller enough to group buy and move the markets. Hey, we can't move the markets no matter what we do. If we were to pop 1 million lots right now, it will move the market by 1 pip. Us as retail traders do not move the markets at all. I promise you. We don't do anything to that. Answer correct. Easy is to wait for support after the break to buy. Yeah. Cap. Hey, bro, not my words. The market maker, man. I don't know. I didn't say anything. It's all him. You guys want to see him? You want to see how it looks? This is how it looks. I posted a picture of him before on my page. This is the market maker right here.
Guys, right now I'm sitting inside my brand new Benz. How did I get that? Forex. I wouldn't lie. I'm the Forex guy. Guys, I just hit the lottery. I'm not talking Lotto Max. I'm talking Forex. There's only one way to success, and that's Forex. Right now I'm going for a walk, and I'm making money, guys. This can be you. Guys, I'm getting so much money, I just decided to open my own construction company. And that's all because of Forex. We're making money by the bucket load, man. You're still working a 9-to-5 job. I'm making money by the second. Would I lie? I'm the Forex guy. Ben over here, making money by the second. He's making money right now. Ben, how much money you make today?
I made 20K.
20K? 20K? When did you start, man?
Started yesterday.
I found him on the sidewalk. I'm gonna show you the sidewalk. I found him on the sidewalk, guys. He was sitting right here. I picked him up by the bootstraps, and I made him make money. You guys can do it too. It's easy, baby.
That's the market maker, guys. That shit kills me every time, bro. Oh my god. Hey, babe, we're pushing up, guys. GG buys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Let's get it. Good day today, guys. Good day today. Come on, guys. Show some love. Leave a like on the streams. You guys are enjoying it. I know you guys are enjoying the value here. I know you guys gained something out today. If you guys are on the streams today, you guys want to make profits today. Like I said, guys, if you're not here while we're at these averaging follower viewers, 170 viewers, then you'll be here in the next coming years when we're at 10K live viewers. Mark my words. Mark my words. The thing is, guys, people are like a lot of people they rather have I guess they rather see people with clout over people that give true value. That's what I think. Cause let's say some guy posts a fancy car, and like me, I don't post any fancy cars. I don't even have any fancy cars, right? But people obviously want the guy with the fancy car. But the guy with the fancy car might not provide the same value as the guy with me, like a guy with a piece of metal versus the guy that provides how to get metal, how to trade metal, in fact, you know. So think about it. I mean, hey, I mean people will find you for you sooner or later. People will find you for your value sooner or later. So I'm not stressing here. We good. Nothing but growth from here, guys. So still wait to answer if they answer the first time. You can answer when you guys want. Yeah, you can gotta wait for me, guys. I'm not answering any more positions. This is my only position, and that's all I'm look for. 1 hour candle did close bullish here. This candle's flipping bullish here. If this candle breaks the high here, high chance this is a low for price to drive up. So what you could do is once the price breaks this high, you can move your stops to this low, right? But since it's a runner for me, I'm not really gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna let it run. And yeah, guys, that's all it is. currently making a list of videos I gotta start making. I've been lacking on YouTube. I gotta post some videos, guys. So far I have wick fills. I wanna post that. I also got wick fills. I got filling a range. And the video that I always wanted to do was to manage a trade. Like I gotta make these videos. It's just I haven't had much time lately, man. Hence why I haven't been training Asian the past 2 days. Sorry guys, I haven't been training Asian, but I haven't been trying my analysis of Asian, but it's all good. I'll be back today for Asian. Is it good idea to add a second entry here? I feel like it would have been right here. This would have been your entry. That would have been the second entry right there. Stops below here. 6 pip stops. Boom. Buys up. 30 pips. Is it good? Bro, bro, today from you, learn to wait patiently. Hey, that's the point. That's the point of the streams. Every day learn something new, right? My point of the every day, guys, is to provide you guys content and provide you guys value and things you can learn from and use it to add to your trading abilities. We waited 2.5 hours today for a trade. No, I lied. Hell no, not 2.5 hours. We waited. Took the trade at what? 8 oh what? 8 what did I put here? 8:22. We had about 2 hours, yeah, about 2 hours for a trade today, and yeah, I can say that it was a 100% worth it. 100% worth it. Avoided buys here, you know, as it broke the highs, didn't see it. Why? Because look left, guys. Look left. Where is it? This right here. This kind of rejected off it. It came up rejected. I didn't want the same thing happening here. You know, same thing happened here. Came up rejected. Rejected. So I didn't enter buys as it came up there. I waited for a closure. Closed above. Boom. Took buys. And now we have a rocket ship here for GG. So, oh man, pushing up here. Potential 4 pip runner going on. Let's get it. How much do you use money in your trades? What do you mean? I risked about 1.5% on this trade. Not even one. This trade is 1%. I went with a lower lot size. I went with 5.0 lot on this trade instead of 8.0 lot. What's up, guys? GG has been a gold mine today. Yes, sir. GG has been lovely today, guys. Gold drop to break even. I don't think I entered anything. I don't know if it was break even. It was just a little breakdown. Oh, hey. What's up?
Nah, man, it's snooze and I missed this trade. Jeez.
You were asleep? What happened?
No, it was a late night last night because my son was up until like 2:30.
Oh shit, yeah.
So like I'll still set the alarm, and then the phone fell behind the bed, so it was like no hope. it was a lost cause.
Lost cause.
But man, it's a fire trade. Yeah, guys, listen. Come here at 6:30 every day. Do not snooze. Even if you don't catch any trades, this guy drops so much knowledge like he just did today. Bring a pen, bring a pad, and you'll still go home a winner for sure.
That's fact. And that wasn't a paid actor. He wasn't a paid actor, guys.
Yeah.
He's
no,
not
for real. I'm never paid actor. I literally got this guy's course. I think it was 2 weeks ago, and I've been going through it. And everything that he's teaching you guys is its and bits from his course. So there's a lot more in the course, obviously. But like he says, you don't need it to succeed. Seriously, just come here, pen and pad it, and go home with knowledge. That's it. Simple, man.
Hey, appreciate all the kind words, bro. All love from Toronto. That's a Toronto love. 666. That's a Toronto love. 666. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how much you risk, how much you make for this kind of trade. Why does that matter? I risked 2%. 1% of how much? 1% of my account on this trade. I hate to mention, this came from Wix and Lie, and we were waiting patiently on it too. Hey, he's a great guy. I love Wix and Lie. I love, you know, people who come here to talk shit about this and that. Hey, I love. I would never shit on another trader. I did it on my early days when I first started trading. I had that ego, but never. It's not worth it. It's a waste of time. Like, people want to start something with me. Hey, bro, it's all love, peace and love. Is it all or nothing, or are you taking partials right now? I took part. I closed right here. Read right here. What does it say? Read with me. Close 50% here at 10 plus pips. 2.5 of a 5 lot running. That is closed. We're here for money. Hey, yeah, that's facts right there. That's facts right there, bro. People come here saying this copy this copy that. Man, if I were to copy people, how did I break gold down yesterday on my streams? How did I post this video here in my streams? How did I take a trade here today? This wasn't the same trade as him. How did I leave it running here? How did, like, you know, it's there's like, his markups here were all different today. This is a whole different markup here. My ranges are different today. You know, like, you know, it's all love. Everyone has their own trading style. Everyone has their own trade. It might look similar, people, but everyone has their own trading style, bro. Just remember that. Weird first impression? Hey, bro. All love, bro. Hey, yo, guys, today was actually a great stream today. I actually love today's stream. It was just straight. You know, some days we actually just chill, talk about around stuff, but today was just a lot more. Majority of today's stream was just straight up just knowledge. So if you guys can, go back on today's stream, restart the whole stream today, and watch the entire clip today. Entire stream. Take notes on it, because everything was just broken down to a T. This trade here broke it down to a T. We waited 2 hours for it, waited for a candle close above, took us buy, moved stops from a 14 pip stop loss, moved it down to a break even as it broke the highs here, as it flipped bullish, we moved it to its lower wick here. What happened after? Came up to this target, closed half at this target, 10 pips, and now we have a run into TP. We planned it, waited, and executed. Look for buys all stream. Didn't look for sells at all. Yeah, but sorry that is, guys. Just being patient. You're good, huh? But I'm in the same trade. I just got out just now though. Yeah, I think if you guys look left here, guys, this is a level like we were rejecting off of this level right here, right? This is a very like minor support here, minor resistance actually. But I'm looking at this from like I think the 4-hour time frame in a daily. Look left 1 4-hour time frame. What do you have? You have this one huge clean traffic candle here. So I'm expecting the same mirror candle on the other side. We should get the same exact mirror here on the other side like this. So yeah. I don't know when. Don't ask me when. But hey. Remember earlier how I called the market maker? He said around what time was it? Around 9:22 or something, 9:25, something like that. We're able to tap TP. Let's see if he lies to us or not today. Let's see. Just to get a GGR with 500. Yeah, that's my TP. Yeah, that's my TP for a day. My TP was actually this resistance, but now we're breaking this resistance here. Now we have a runner, so now it's a risk-free trade. If you guys want to move, if you want to be a bit more aggressive today, you can move your runner position to their stop loss instead of at break even and move it up to this low. If you want to be a bit more aggressive, because this is a new 1 hour low, right, and a new 4-hour low as well. So the price wants to drive up here. It shouldn't come back to the 1 hour low or it shouldn't flip back bearish to the 1 hour low or the 4-hour low, right? This should be a low for a new hourly and a new 4-hour to go up if it wants to drive up here. So if you guys want to be a bit more aggressive, you guys can do that as well. Can someone read the TP on my screen? TP is 139.473. Look right here on the right side. You see it right there. Why are we closing our partial position, bro? Even we know that it's going to give more moves. See, that's the issue right there. Like I said every day in my stream, guys. Did you learn trading from Uncle Ted? Yes. I talked to him a lot. He helped me a lot. But hey, why are we closing partial positions? Because here's the thing. I say this every stream. As much as you see a pair going up, like me, this is me. As much as I see a move playing out, 200 move, 1,000 pip move, as much as I see the high potential, like as much potential as I see it playing out, I will always secure my profits at 10 pips or my nearest minor resistance level. Look, this is my resistance level right here. This is my resistance level I took a buy here. My resistance is right there. Look left, there's traffic there. That's where I want to close half at, secure profits. I seen the move on a high tap and playing out, but there's always a low chance that I can come down to entry or come down to hit your stops. So that's why I do what I do. That's me though. He hasn't gotta do it, but this is me. Taylor, a lot thanks. Thanks for stream. Appreciate it, bro. I love. Guys, did we hit 200 viewers? Damn, I didn't even realize. I cover up this whole part. I don't look at it anymore because it distracts me. So I just cover up how many views I have on the stream. But if you guys enjoying the streams, probably leave a like. A lot of you guys come from other streams, leave a like as well. I love. But yeah, guys, gold is currently coming back in the range. So what do you guys think is gonna happen here? If gold pushed up earlier, now it's coming back inside this range. What do you guys think is gonna happen? We're probably gonna come back down to the bottom of the range, which is 2004, right? And if the support breaks, we're gonna go further down. But until we actually close in the range here, and until we actually break below the support, there's no trades or anything just yet, right? There's no sells yet. There's nothing yet, right? So just be patient if you guys looking at gold. You are a Toronto man? Yes, fam. I am a Toronto man. Mans are from Toronto. How do you guys know? Is this the way I talk? Because Toronto people have an accent. That's why. If you guys don't know that. Mans got the accent, yeah. They sound like UK mans. That's why. Toronto people have the same similar slang as UK people. You're from Toronto, yeah? Fun stream today. Yeah, we do have similar slang from UK. Yeah, we do. Do you only do JJ or do you do other pairs? I trade. I look at gold and US30. Just today, I've been looking at New York today. You learn from Uncle Ted? That's what I just said, dude. Come on, bros. Yeah, I messaged Ted a lot actually. He helped me a lot. More on the psychology side. I was struggling with that a lot more. I also learned from Q Banks. Like Q Banks, I learned before when I started last year, a year and a half ago. I learned just basic stuff from him, just baby. I had his course. I didn't buy his course. I got his course from someone, but it was I just learned a lot about support and resistance and just basic stuff like that, fibs and stuff like that, and whatever you learn, whatever else in his course, it was kind of useless for me after. The only part of Cuban's course that I learned was just support and resistance. And you know what happened? He blocked me. I don't know why. I never DM'd him. I never commented on his photos. Nothing. I don't know why he blocked me. But hey, it is what it is. All love. Was I gonna do streams? No, but you know who does streams? Control FX does streams, eh? And today we caught 10 pips on DJ with nice breakdowns and nice management to the T. But hey guys, controlfx.com. That chat's popping off. Yo, where you at, bro? 200 viewers, where you at?
What you saying?
What's up, bro? Where you been? I knew you were gonna be slumped today.
My bad, bro.
When you sent a message at 2 a.m., like, oh, this guy's slumped. No way. No shot. This guy's waking up.
It's my boy's birthday last night, so.
Oh shit, really? You're teed up?
Yeah, a little bit. Man, I was literally up until 6.
Did you trade?
No, I didn't trade. Nah. Can't be making decisions.
You're making decisions? What do you mean? You stream Asian session?
When I haven't had no sleep and shit.
Oh. Yeah.
It's a little foggy.
Why are commercials interrupting your live stream? I don't know, man. Ask YouTube. Do you stream Asian session? Yeah, we did it. We did it a couple times, 1 or 2 times. But we don't really do it often. It's not. I trade it. in my VIP group I give analysis for it almost every day. Didn't give one this week though. I was kind of busy, but yeah, but we don't read live trade as much as New York session. That's not supposed to happen.
This only trade you took today?
Yeah.
You got 10 pips?
Yeah. I avoided a nice trade earlier too. I avoided like a nice buy.
Oh yeah, 1 hour is pretty clean.
Yeah, I avoided a nice buy. I think I forgot where, but it was like over here somewhere. I avoided it, and then but yeah, this kind of here, got it down here. It's got a runner though.
You still have a runner?
Yeah, 40 pip runner here. Like if it hits TP, hits TP, but it got close half already. So it is what it is on this trade. It went up like what? A nice like 26 pips, almost 30 pips. Not bad. I would usually close another 25% around like these levels, but hey, that's what it is. I say I feel like it's either a TP day or an entry day on the runner. Are you still in buys for GG? Yeah, I'm in buys.
And it just broke the low.
Yeah, like
what
it could do here is it could maybe come down to this support, make support here, and pop up for it later on later. Like, cause this is your next logical support area level. Price can just come down like this, you know, put on bearish guys, and then boom, 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 and then later on it can maybe pop back up to retest the highs, like boom, 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 boom. Right, but until that happens, it's just a runner. But yeah, guys, I gotta do stuff right now. I'm gotta get my day going. You know, cause I'm not a burden to trading. I'm not honest the whole day. Look at my Fibonacci. I don't use the Fibonacci. I do not use the Fibonacci, guys. I repeat, I do not use any indicators for the Fibonacci. I explain why. If you guys don't know why, go back on the streams. I explained it earlier. Actually, I'll explain it right now. The reason I don't use fibs is because fibs is just support and resistance. I guarantee you, if you draw a fib from here to here, this will give you a 61.8 retracement at this support. But what is it really? You can just identify that's going to come down in here by looking at structure, looking at candles, and looking at logical areas. This is your next support. So if I pull a fib right now, what's gonna happen? All that fib's gonna do here is give me a nice 61.8 retracement, or a nice 50 retracement wherever. Yeah, 61.8 perfectly. See how it lined up perfectly? Perfectly lined up. 61.8 retracement right there. Boom. Right. So instead of having to rely on an indicator, just rely on yourself. That's why I don't use fibs. You can gotta rely on you can gotta rely on a number to flip. You can gotta rely on a bounce off a trend line. You can gotta rely on like an indicator. You can gotta rely on anything. All you gotta do is use your logical errors as for price action. Yeah, I know what the golden zone is. I've been through fibs. It didn't work. It didn't work out for me. It wasn't as consistent. I don't use it anymore, bro. But hey, bro. Yeah, just keep trading simple, bro. You don't gotta use all that. If you want to, you can. It is what it is. But I got a dip, guys. Appreciate everyone that showed up today. Hope you guys made money today. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. Let's hit it. And peace, guys. Let's get it. Later, bro. Hopping off.
Later, man.
Later.